Hi. I don't have my headphones on. Hello, hi, welcome. Let's shut up. Who's this? Irene and Solgi. I love this song. Hi, hello, welcome. I hope everyone's doing well today. Let's see. I need to grab my vitamins. I need to move my quest. Our lovely winner of today is Doc. I will take my vitamins. I'll grab them immediately. Kodiak, hello. Kodiak, I love you. People have fucking alarms. They're savages out here for that first redeem. Hello, Kai. Hello, Turnip. I hope you're well. I love you. I am much better today. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. Hello, hi. I'm icing my hands right now. I needed to do that before. They're connected. Mentally, much better today. Hot trapped. Mentally, much better today. More not overstimulated. Is my body okay? No, we decided to dysfunction today. And it's just kind of like the normal body. It's the normal body pains. You know. Yeah, I was really going through it yesterday. I don't know what it was about yesterday. Hi. It's okay. My joints are inflamed. This side has been pinched for like maybe like 4 days, so my lung hurts. I took my inhaler though. I was about to start stream. I was about to say hello after the first song ended, but I was like, let me take my inhaler. So I took my inhaler. I have other medicine here. We skip all these songs. We're gonna skip all these songs. Lady Gaga. Come back to us. I skipped Lady Gaga. Oopsie. So I took my inhaler. So when I always say my heart hurts, I mean my lung hurts. But my joints hurt and my skin's like sensitive today. I'm like, stop it. What the fuck's happening?
Sarah's got those stereotypical homeless gloves on.
Yes. They're not that cold anymore, truth be told. My wrist hurts. That's what's getting me, and I'm trying to ice it. Okay, that's good. Let me plug in my phone. But other than that, like, I'm doing fine. I have an emote that's just booba. You've been blessed, that's why. Oh my god. But yeah, my joints just hurt today. And my skin. I don't know why my skin hurts. But other than that, I'm doing much better. I hope everyone's doing better. When Gotha comes in here, I will check up on her. I hope everyone. How is everyone? Because I may be better, but how is everyone? Just say that without using it. Honestly, Doc, I agree with you. Okay, take a breath. Oh. Taking my glove off for this. Yeah. Yeah, wow. Nice. My body also hurt. I just went, it's a fucking worse. Like, yeah, mentally I'm stable today. I'm not overstimulated. I cut my nails. I did my homework. I have brownies and ice cream later. I did eat too much yesterday. After complaining about wanting to get into shape and hating stuff. And then I ate ice cream and brownies. But why the fuck does the body hurt? What the fuck? I did take medicine yet. I did down an apple and a banana and a fortune cookie. So I can take Advil. Or how about that? Because I realized my head hurts too. That's pretty normal. I don't know, Kai, but that's pretty interesting. You literally meant it.
Very good. It was playing Stardew 1.5 with Oh Dear. Play Stardew 1.6 with Oh Dear in an hour or so.
Ew. That's gonna be fun. Yowdy howdy, Gothic. I'm glad. Oh my god, is that the OG jump scare? Josh? Hi, Josh. How are you? Oh my god. How are you? How is the kitten? Most importantly. Also you. You are most importantly too. But like the kitten. I need to sit up. Oh, whatever's pinched on that side fucking hurts. How is everybody that's showing up? Let's do a roll call of who else is in pain today. Apparently there's a lot of us. Also, my hair's weird. You're good? How is your ear doing? I saw in the Discord it's doing better. Like, slightly better. But so, like, it's improvements? Too much on this side? No, it's fine. Playing WoW count? Hey, you know, if it heals your soul, might as well. Oh, that's what I wanted. If WoW makes you happy, hey, I can't judge you, Trapped. I'm about to play DVD. Super toxic community, apparently, recently. I'm about to play it. Still a little pain, but it's getting better overall. Which is good, especially if you can't get into a doctor soon. Hi, how are you? Dude, I'm finally glad we're getting some updates about the reels. Hi! I just got to... I love everybody from now. Well, how are you? Me also in pain? You also in pain? Right. Mila is good? It is getting way better. Fuck yeah, good. Sorry, I can't breathe. I did take my inhaler though, like I said, I did take it. So like, if I start getting hyperactive at some point or the jitters, don't worry. It's unfortunately side effect of the inhaler. I learned that when I was at Barnes & Noble because I was standing still. I'm like, why am I suddenly shaking? That was fun. Be chilling? Hell yeah. Good, 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 good. Hopefully out of the heat. Hopefully hydrated. Vitamins. Need my vitamins. Those fires still... You know, maybe that's why my lungs are still tickled. Let's see. I'm pretty sure one of them's almost done, but I think the other one... Sorry, I can't breathe. Let's see. Southern California fires. Map. Burning now. Yes, Kyle. Let me check the map really quick for these fires. Sorry, there's a plane. The map broke. Okay, Kai, now I'm gonna roll for you. You got an 18! It's because you got so much Star doing today. This song in a while? I haven't either. I don't listen to her too much anymore, but like... Love it. Beach fire, line fire, airport fire. Okay, so the fires are still going, Josh, but the one closest to me is 80% covered, and the other second one that started, which is a little bit further, but unfortunately the wind sometimes blows towards us, is 95, so it's doing better. There's apparently one in LA.
Sarah,
Los
I need
Angeles,
to know
San
what
Bernardino?
keyboard you have. I love the clickety-clackness of it.
Let me unplug it. So I want to say I finally got myself one of these cords to plug in, so I love it, so I can easily unplug my keyboard. This drives to Charlestown tomorrow. Shouldn't be bad except for the hurricane that's supposed to be. Oh, please be safe then, Doc. Please be safe. So my keyboard's going to be extremely dirty. I will have you know when I show it. I have not cleaned it since I got it, which is okay. I haven't had the time to clean it because I did get a new keyboard because my other one, the W key, broke on it, which is very unfortunate. But this is the keyboard I have. It's very nice. Here's some like dirty. It is dirty, but like the thing is, why I haven't cleaned it is because like this is like this is fucking. No, not using my head. Like this is. Oh, this is that in the back. It's so cute. I know it. Can you say hi? Tell her I said hi. But like this thing's solid. Like this is solid metal. So when I like drop it on my desk, it's very that. Spamming W key. Yeah, my W key literally just like died. So I had to bring out one of my old beautiful keyboard. Yes, wife. It is beautiful keyboard, wife. Hey, what do I do if Sorry, I was thinking, what do I do if my website that has my schedule is down for maintenance? Is it an important schedule? What schedule? Complained to him. How much was the keyboard? Let me check. I forget. But also, to the note of cleaning, the reason I haven't cleaned it is because I have to unscrew a lot. Yeah, I have to unscrew a lot to like take everything apart, I believe. I forget how. I think these uncap, but then there is the underneath. that you can unscrew and take off those. So there was a lot to it. Let me plug in the keyboard so I can type up. I can say the cord is Ducky. The cord is by Ducky. I really wanted one of the Ducky keyboards. Let me see. One of these.
Hydrate,
see, cut. I will hydrate in a moment. I'm trying to catch my breath. Keyboard. Let's see. I can tell you they're really weird keys. Because they're not ones I have. I'm pretty sure I got Durock green bean keys. Those are the switches. Those are the switches. It is Chilkey Paw 65, aluminum 65. It's a 65%. Hot swap Bluetooth. Oh, it's Bluetooth? Oh shit. It was $109. So it was about $100. $110. I love this keyboard so much. I do want different keyboards though. I do want to get another, not full. What is this one? 65. I want to like, let's see. Switches, mice, keyboard. I want a 75. I want to get a 75. College? It doesn't exist? That's weird. Do you have your schedule written down anywhere? You can always try to contact your professor or somebody. Trying to catch your breath? Shit, so am I. Oh, Doc, you'll make me cry. That's so sweet. But please also somebody give me my meds back, whoever took it. This keyboard has such yummy clickities. I want to get more keyboards. I love keyboards so much and I would want to display them in the back, but I have that big fucking bitch and I need a second one of those. Let's see. Is there any? Hi, Coco! How are you? This is a sick-ass keyboard. Oh my god. That's a sick-ass keyboard. I'm gonna save that. I'm pretty sure it says this is plastic and it's very cute. Yeah, this is plastic. Not for resale. Logo. No photo.
Playing multiverse.
Did it? You're in fact right, and Steam did in fact tell me that too. Let's go see. Coco is in fact playing multiverse. They won't let us have paper copies? Really? Not even like paper syllabuses? I would say you can either email your professors or I mean, I would give it a little bit. See if it comes back up. But also, that's really weird. That's odd. It's an odd thing to break. Okay, we need to hydrate. Wow, you're a bit of a multiverser, I see. Oh my god. Derogatory. What the heck? What is this? Oh my god, I need to buy Metal Gear. No! I clicked on the wrong thing. Oh, is that one? Oh, that's kind of cool. I didn't even know what that game was. That's kind of cool. Okay, okay.
Here, Sarah?
No, stop it. It's just on sale right now, so every time I go to the Steam homepage, I see it. You feeding the family with Metal Gear? I'm feeding the family with the big budget name games. Me providing the family with literally all of the Yakuza games. I should get, oh shit. Do I own Like a Dragon, or does somebody in the family owns Like a Dragon? Who owns Like a Dragon? Don't worry about 7, I got it. Oh, you own it? I was like, who the fuck owns this one? It's Coco. That's why I was like, did I suddenly purchase this without my knowing? That would happen to me. You are providing the family with 7. I got the rest of them. Don't worry. I think I got them really cheap. I really want to buy let me go. What's in my cart? Oh, Hollow Body, because Autumn was talking about that. me get to like the bottom of my list. What's that? Prestige contract, Silent Breath we should play. I still haven't bought the Elden Ring DLC. I should really play Elden Ring yet, but I don't want to. It's scary. Where the fuck is this? It's like right here. Oh, Judgment. I really want to play Judgment. Because unfortunately our friend Patty was streaming it for a while, then he stopped streaming, so I never have been like, I was invested in that game. I was invested and then he just stopped. Like, what the fuck? I was invested in the story. Do we want rock lobster? No. I want teeth. Okay. I still need to hydrate. I did buy the Leon plushie last night. I'm so happy. I have no fucking clue when it appears, but October's next month, so it's okay. It's soon no matter what, and it'll be a little surprise when I get it. I'm like, oh wow, oh my god. Ow. That ducky? Yeah, the ducky! You got the plushie? I did. Thank you, dog. It's gonna get a little name tag that says duck or something. Something of the sort. But yeah, I bought the ducky. I have the tofu one. I always roll that way, but it's easier this way. My book of shames. Sorry about Nessie. The ducky's there though. The tofu ducky. Don't look at Nessie. I put that on Nessie and then I never took it off. I'm not even supposed to have that in my room. That's my like side project. Maybe I work on that tomorrow. I need to clean it. It's really fucking dusty because it's from my cousin? Relative? I say that with confusion. Ah, that's a important document. I put water on it. Hee. Let's see, Coco, what you got? You got a 6. I don't know how to tell the differences from the 9 and the 6. I'm gonna roll again. That's not right. Are you losing in versus? You got a 14 now, so you better win. If you win, you get higher roll. If you lose, then, you know. Then it's kind of sad. Let's see, Doc. Where the fuck are my necklaces? There we go. You got a 9, Doc. That's not bad. That's pretty good. That's not bad. Dude, I want to buy more of these things. But I don't know who I want to buy next. Keep getting my ass beat. I haven't played since beta. Okay. That's why you got a low roll. Once you get in the groove, then it's fine. You'll do fine. You'll get a high roll. Then you'll be actually beating the shit out of these kids or whoever's playing. Better than yesterday? Yeah, see? So it's good. Game I want is an offer, but by the time I get to the disposable income, it'll be off offer. What game? Don't actually say. That's a dangerous game to play of what game you want when Doc is around. That's also why I'm saying, like, I want more of these things, but I'm not telling y'all fucker who I want. Because for some reason, they're all different prices. And I don't know why. Just, yes, Sky? What game? What game would that be? We're not asking for things. We're just saying, hey, this is something I'm interested in. I want to get. I just love these little dudes, but I'm so particular with them. But I love my little Tengen. He's so cute. I took my vitamins. Took my inhaler. I did stretches before stream, I'll have you know, and then I took a 10-minute nap, and I absolutely, like, passed the fuck out. It was like a 10-minute nap, and I frantically woke up when my alarm, like, went off, because I was like, what the fuck? What happened? That's touching me. Random chord. Okay. Game plan for today. No one can tell me otherwise. It is DBD today. I want Barry Nilo. I like this one. I kind of want to play Baldur's Gate, not gonna lie. But it's because, like, we short streamed yesterday, and then we started yapping, and then I actually started having a good time, but I'm like, no, I need to rest. But we're gonna play DBD. Oh, content warning! Oh! Said that they wanted Caravan Sandwich the day it came out, was available, they got it. Kai just needs to say what game. That sounds like such a threat. Kai just needs to say what game. See that little piece of hair? Content warning, but I'm also desperate to own party animals to play. Oh, I fucking love party animals. I fucking love party animals. True. True. You can play for free. If you play with people, you can play for free. That happened to me because I played with Joshua and I played with wife, and then I was like, oh, I kind of want to own the silly little animals and the skins, so then I bought it immediately. Maybe a little half and half if you're feeling it. True, you could go halvesies. Don't buy me anything. True. Content warning, I love. I'm so happy I got it for free. Play Party Animals is so it's such a fun game. I love it. If they have a game mode, we need to play it. Wife, would you like to play games later? I wish to be in a cat gang. I want to bully children as a cat gang. I can't believe Jordy gave mercy to the children the one time and then we lost the game. Yippee wahoo! Because I played games with other people last night and I'm like, I miss my other friends. Zombie was on anyways. Jordy sent me a give. I think when he got back to like, so I'm like, you did good, buddy. You did good, kid. They need my room and then I'm free again. Woo! Well, no rush. I'm streaming. So I'll be doing this for a little bit, then I gotta eat. Maybe skate. So I'll be on later tonight. Usually when I'm normally on. Don't have them on Steam friends list? You have to have people on friends list or not? That's a good question. Me a while, so say, okay, valid. Take your time, don't hurt yourself, wife. Thank you. Doc gave it to you? Fuck yeah, we should all play Party Animals. Doc, you should treat yourself. How much is Bump It Warning? Because I haven't played that in a while, and I got it for free. Oh, that's $6. Doc is the sugar daddy of chat. Not, like, literally not a, like, oh, Doc loves this streamer so much he gives her all this stuff. It's like, nah, he gives everybody in chat shit, too. Doc really said, yeah, my love language is, in fact, gift giving.
I did treat myself. My treat was like $300.
What'd you get? Oh, wait, I remember you saying you did order parts for your jingle. I remember that. I remember that from yesterday a little bit. From my Delulu yesterday. My Delulu day. How does... Oh, this is my flat side. Yeah, this is the side I sleep on. We don't talk about that side of my hair. This side of my hair is so nice. Because I don't sleep on it. Wait, no, sorry about that. Thank you so much. Oh, Kai. We do really love you. And you do deserve those nice things. You're going through college. Through university. That's hard to have a job and have money when you're going through that. So that's easy little treat. Yeah. Also, because why not? Why not? I love all you guys. You guys are so sweet and caring. True Emporium does need to go on sale. Also, oh shit, that fucking hurt. My joints aren't strong today. God damn it. Okay. I'm gonna do something really quickly since I'm here anyways. Movie night. I didn't post a I didn't post the voting for the movies, so I need to do that. True. See, it wasn't that much. You buy me things, you're so nice. It's nice giving things to people. Oh, let me make the poll first. Down. Let me see what movies were on last time. Well, Alien. Jam. Oh, the polls disappear. I forgot. Oh no, there it is. Ooh, okay. Do we have any upvotes this time of what movies we want on the poll? Let's just have a different love language. Don't judge us. We like giving. I know. It's very sweet. It's very sweet. I'm going to put, as of right now, I want to put Aliens 3. Scream would be fun. I'm iffy of putting Nope on it or not. I could put like Hocus Pocus on it. I love Hocus Pocus. I put it on a mantra on that because I was like, let me pick up Terminator 2. You want Terminator 2? Inverse Suppressor? Nope is so good. I have not seen Nope. That's why you need to watch it. Ooh. I'm just gonna write these down in this chat. Actually, I have my notebook. My notebook is slowly turning into like random daily things, but also movies for you guys. There we go. But both in one night. Oh my god, Twitches! I don't forget any of these. Do we want to watch the first Terminator at all? Oh, both of them. I see. I have not watched the second Hocus Pocus at all. Okay. I'm gonna keep with the ones that I know for sure I can find online. Actually, who gives a shit? I'm yapping right now. Terminator 2. You're telling me this is on. Oh, Terminator 2 is actually on Netflix. We can watch Hellboy. I want to watch the original Hellboy, so. Okay, I just need to check Terminator 2. Do you watch Terminator? We should probably start with 1. Yeah, I need to find the where we can watch that. So if that, we might have to put on Terminator. AMC, but I don't have AMC. We might have to wait for that one. Do they not even have it on? I mean, Amazon if we rent it. Or is it free? Am I signed in? No, yeah, it's on AMC. Okay. Terminators really? Robots take over. And then they go in the past to try to keep them from taking over. That's essentially the story. And by that, I mean that in literally every single movie. It's really good. I love them though. Scary Godmother. Oh, I love this song. Where can I watch these films? I haven't seen Scary Godmother in so long. Please, somebody post it to the internet. I probably could find it on YouTube. Dude, I love Scary Godmother. God, that's fucking horrifying. The animation style of Scary Godmother. Okay. Yeah, that's essentially the gist of it. It's really well done. It's definitely an action film. But, like, I love it. I love Terminator so much. Terminator 2 is definitely probably the best. Okay. Does not hold up. The animation does not hold up. But I love it dearly. Movie. Did I spell that right? I'm gonna put horror time, 3 days. So it should end by Friday at, like, this time. Okay. Do we want Aliens 3 on there? Are we interested in continuing the Alien movies? I do want Scream on there. Yes? Okay. Aliens 3. Let's change this. I'll add everybody so that you have like the days to go back and choose. Where the fuck is the emote that I want? Cowboy. Oh no, that's what I did for Alien. I did a little cat for it because it's a little xenomorph. Where is the little kitty? That is a xenomorph. We should take a week off of Alien. Between alien movies? Okay. You got it. I know what to put for this then. This. I'll put for that one. Da, 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 da. Bow, 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 bow. This one is an easy. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we watched a Naruto movie. Which Naruto movie? There's so many. I love them. I haven't watched them in forever. Really want to see, but I cannot bring myself to watch. Actually pay for it? A shitty horror film called Jesus Christ Bounty Hunter. Saves Canadian lesbians from lesbian vampires. That sounds so fucking funny. I need to see. I see. This is why I watch Dead Meat, and oh, it's an explain one. Dead Meat and oh, what is his account? I haven't watched him so much, and so long. Found Flicks. It's Found Flicks, right? Yeah, Found Flicks. Why am I not subscribed to him? I watched. Sorry, I don't like scary movie sponsors sometimes. They're very scary. It was a Smiler, and he's very weird. Trailer, please. I will. That sounds like the beginning of a bad porno. It really does not. It really does. It's from 2001. Let me look up. Okay, wait. For the movie votes. Right now I have Nope, Scream, and Hocus Pocus. Anything desperately. Jesus. Anything that somebody wants desperately on there. Gee, what the fuck? Christ. Jesus Christ, Vampire Hunter. Always desperate mode. Jaws. Watch. Oh, you haven't watched any of them? Yeah, they are mainly fillers. I don't think any of them matter to the story. They're just fun. There's one that is in like the desert, and Sakura has such a cute little outfit because it's from Naruto. That was when they were babies, and it's so cute. Oh, Fifth Element. I don't know if that's on anything. Holy shit, this is such a shitty film. It's free on Tubi. Tubi. Let me see. That is nothing for free yet. I do love the Fifth Element though. At last. Damn. Oh, it's that Sakura. When did this one come out? Oh, 2014? Damn, it's been ages. Oh my god, I love Sakura. You're making me miss Naruto. What's Nope about? Aliens. Kai, the best way I can describe is aliens. Because I've not actually seen it.
Help, I'm downloading the games and stream quality is now at 360p to be able to
Hell
watch
yeah,
stream.
I'm crunchy. Man, I love Sakura. I don't think I've ever actually watched that Naruto. Okay, Jaws is on Netflix, so I can put Jaws. We can do that. You wanna watch Naruto again? You wanna watch Naruto with me? It's so. How long is Naruto? I miss it though. I think I miss Shippuden more. I like that a lot more. But like, you miss it. I like it. I like my little ninjas. Where's the shark emote? Shark. Shark. Let me cross check this information. It's like 100 episodes, I believe. It is a lot. I'm back and you. I'll do this. Okay. Thanks. Okay. It's been posted and done. What's that? I've never been so disappointed in my life before, and I feel like I want to fight. More like episode 300 something. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah, a little bit more than. I'm closing Discord. I'm closing Discord. Somebody had the same idea as us in the maze, which is fine, but they went ahead and pitched the idea already, even though we haven't had a meeting. So instead of waiting for the meeting, they went out of their way to go pitch the idea. Fuck yeah! Strong games are so much better to digest in a story, in my opinion. Oh, really? I like the Akatsuki art. I like Sakura's fight. Her fight is so fucking good. I love Sakura. Oh, every inch of me is so mad. Good thing we're playing DVD. I can be a killer and go kill some people. I'm just taking my rage out and typing to B. In fact, hey. I got one of the farm game on my Switch. I want it so bad at it. Do I have one of the you got the rage I am in right now. But I have one of the Naruto games, but it's for my PSP, which by that my brother took his PSP back. So I just have this PSP Naruto game that I've had since like middle school, I think. I bought it from GameStop. Hi, Junior. Doing the thing where I hate my life for money? Hell yeah, you're doing amazing though. We're here, we keep you company. It's DVD day, because we're in Halloween era. I just went sicko mode on B's Discord messages because I am enraged. Anybody have something fun they're doing? Or any like fun stories going on? What we got? What we got to yap about? I'm closing Discord again. I want to see if B messaged back. So what's this song? What's this? Everyone's first game that they remembered? Ooh. I feel like I should remember a lot of... Okay, I have some options. Oh no, I think my option has been forfeited. I think it actually is Resident Evil. Because I used to repeat the beginning in the original Resident Evil when you would open the door and the dog would go bark, bark. And then you would close it and be like, I shouldn't go out there. So I think it was Resident Evil. There were probably other games because I played a lot of games. I played like DDR all the time, but like that big memory I have of a game. That one. I remember when Kingdom Hearts came out though, because I remember when the second one came out, everybody was talking about it at school, and I never got it. So I never got to play it. Oh, Spyro? Red of the Ancient. I've never played a Spyro game. I know a lot of my friends did. I think Nikki did, pretty sure. Planet on like one of those early places. I don't remember which one. Little. Somebody home? Hold on. My ice machine scared me. My ice machine scared me. I think it was dropping the ice in and it was going kung, kung. I'm like, what the fuck? I just got back my Little Big Planet game from my brother. I think it's Little Big Planet 3. Game of the Year edition that I have. I loved it so much. So Little Big Planet is so fucking good. Never played Spyro? Can we let's see. What's Spyro talking about? Talking about? Kill the guys. Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I could hear the clear like, and I was like, what the fuck? Every night, I found everything wonderful. The valley was a flashing lights. I'm so distracted. I should not have opened up my messages. Which one were you talking about? It's just grip on the originals. I just never owned them. I'm pretty sure a lot of the originals that were coming out were for GameCube. Or at least I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Sorry. Because I think my cousins had it. Gay Station? Damn, Coco, you own a Gay Station? PlayStation 1 and 2? Okay. I remember my cousins having it. But yeah, okay. Kai, I have two older brothers who played action games. I didn't get games. I played whatever games they had. So it was not this. No, I remember what my favorite game was. Like, I remember Resident Evil, but the game I remember playing constantly on a repeat was Jak and Dexter. And I'm so upset because my brother has it now. And I want it. I love that game so much. He also took the Dexter game too for the PSP. I don't have the PSP anyways. Jak and Dexter was a fucking... I fucking love that game. Man, for that PlayStation 2, we had our PlayStation. We had some older stations as well. But I mainly played on the PlayStation 2. But I remember Jak and Dexter so much. I used to always get stuck going into through the fire. Ever played Jak and Dexter? I was introduced to Conker's Bad Furry Day way too young. Oh no, I know exactly. Oh no. Jak and Dexter? That and Ratchet and Clank. I never got around to playing Ratchet and Clank. I think because we were a Jak and Dexter household, so we mainly stuck with that. Crash Bandicoot for that instead? That's valid. I didn't really have Crash at all. Crash is good, but I never really played Crash too much. I loved Jak and Dexter. Man, dude. This is what's... I feel like caused a lot of my fear for the ocean. Because if you play Jak and Dexter... Hi, Nash! If you fall into the ocean, and you're in the deep end of the ocean... Yeah, you fear for your life. You fear for your life big time. Flashing lights. That girl. That girl. I don't think we ever... I think we might have played Jak and Dexter too, but I don't think we ever got the other games. How are you, Nash, though? I hope you're well. Imagine Click had similar thing with the deep water. That's so fucking scary. Hi, Goober. How are you? I hated it so much. Like, that fucking ocean thing scared the shit out of me. 51%. Fuck yeah. I'm doing better. I'm a little annoyed right now by a situation that has happened. But it's something completely fine. You know, at the end of the day, it happens. It's just slightly annoying to deal with. I'm reading B's messages because I spammed her. But so, like, other than that, I'm really good, actually. I stretched today. I took a 10-minute nap, or literally right before stream. Knocked the fuck out for those 10 minutes. Took my inhaler, took more medicine. I just slapped you guys. I'm sorry. Live prepping for the presentation at 3 a.m. Oh my god. You should not be prepping for the presentation at 3 a.m., but it really be like that sometimes. You got this. You got this, Goober. Let's give you that roll. I think that's a 6. You have a 6, which is understandable. It's 3 a.m. and you're preparing the presentation, but you're doing it. You're pulling through. You're still a good roll. Which is funny because Clink is a robot and water should be scary for him. It's so true. Water should just be endgame for him. But he's just swimming in that shit fine. That's crazy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. It's an honor. It's an honor. Never wanted to be more of a bitch than now. People. Who the?
This shark cross stitch looks so fucking goofy. I love it so much.
I love it so much. Sorry, I'm distracted really quick. Alright. Okay. I'm not distracted. She hit us. I didn't mean to hit you. It was a little slap. I went to move my arm to motion and it went just bonk. Enough. 6 sounds about right. Still kicking it. You're still kicking it. You're doing good, Goomber. It's okay. You're doing it. It's just low, but it's 3 a.m. so it's understandable. I'm so excited for the little shark cross stitches. It's gonna be so cute. She laundry for what? Now you always come over here and then you just disappear. Okay, I love you.
Would you like to see shark?
Yeah. Okay. What time is it? How long has it been? We're gonna open up the game soon too. I'll leave the stream out. Oh yay, okay. I'll be the little voices. Little voices. Little voices on your phone. Yeah, you don't have a PC. Little voices on your phone. Woo! I had to think about it. I love this song. I just can't have my phone with me because I'll be distracted. That's a mood. Understandable. It's okay. Go do your laundry. That's important. Is Space Marines on set? I don't think I have any interest in playing Space Marines. No, I don't think I do. Okay, I scrolled all the way down to Yakuza. Where is DBD? What if we just play Resident Evil, everybody? You want to play Resident Evil? I love Resident Evil so much. Have I ever told you that? Mobile warrior. You are a mobile warrior. For everything. I give you a big applause for that. You're the real trooper of this world. Why are you staring at me, girl? Okay, she closed her eyes. My cat was just like one eye staring at me. Not saying that I liked that's how I would say. I would not say no to another one. Understandable. And it will happen. Ah! Well,
Hey Sarah Dissard.
Thank you, because I don't get the pings when I'm in streaming mode. He's beautiful. He's so silly. He's absolutely beautiful. God, his eyes. His eyes been quonk. so annoying when you have an idea, and I'm pretty sure we told these people ideas. Possibly. If not her, we have talked to other people about it. I remembered who we told. Okay, sorry. Things are clicking in my. That's what he looked like. He like, well, I can't do it, but just an eye here, an eye here, and then just the little. I love it. He's so silly. Okay, we're gonna get this show on the road. We're playing Dead. We're playing. Actually, that's the actual game, Dead by Daylight. There we go. We're playing Killer today, so you know, if you want to thirst over killers. Perfectly fine for you. Oh yeah, okay, cool. It switched. It gave me the restriction thing on my phone. It was like, hey. Who was it? It was you, Kai, who couldn't deal with the like the lights from the classroom. This song just reminded me of the Michael Myers song that I just had on loop in the background so that we didn't hear the little They're so funny. So fucking funny. Just right. This is a song inspired by the song for Escape the Backrooms. This level was freaking cool as fuck, bro. Was it just Kai? Who else? I just know Kai specifically because Kai did ask, and so I bargained with Kai.
Yay, my ears so not like it. Also, Sarah, did you know you're playing DBD?
Oh my god, shit, no way. I didn't know I opened DBD. Thank you for telling me. You didn't like it too? Okay. I just remember Kai specifically for ears. No, thank you. But it was annoying as fuck. It was really loud, and I couldn't change the volume for that. Here, you want game sound with no screen? Yeah. Now you don't get game sound because I tabbed out. So we're going to the game now. I love you all. Goodbye. I mean, I'm still here, so not leaving you guys, but like, not big on the screen. If we just open up Baldur's Gate. Have you thought about Baldur's Gate? Have you thought? Have you thought about Baldur's Gate? Have you thought about Baldur's Gate? Dudes, I'm so excited for Alien on Friday. I'm gonna probably be sicky again, and I think I might just stay stationary in my chair and swivel. But I'm so excited! I've never actually watched this. He don't have his whip! He's whipless! Why'd he pull the He really pulled the face. He was like, I'm angry. Man, look at his strut. Look at him. Oh my wow. Hey, Zell Fangies. No whip. No whip. I'll gladly take your hand, sir. I love that organ in the real noise. I tickles brain. Looks so good. It does. I love this game. Okay. Spotify, shut up for now. I want to check things out here. Also, because I like the little Castlevania noise in this game. Gameplay Expo. Oh yeah, Shuffle, Chaos Shuffle is back. Oh yeah, thank you. I didn't know this was here. Thank you. Let's go to the store.
Have you thought about how this is your stream? Which means you can play BG3 or Resident Evil. We're here for you. The gameplay is just a bonus.
I know, but I like keeping themes. They're like, oh, we're gonna play this now. Oh, we're gonna play this now. Type of thing. She's so cute. Also, like, I do kind of want to play this. I just had the jingle for Resident Evil all the time. BG3 was because I think I just need to play BG3 outside the stream too on my playthrough. I just be thinking about Karlach. I just be thinking. It's weird though, knowing that I can just play whatever I want. You guys are here for the yaps and the company. Like, you're here for the person, the streamer, not just the game. Sometimes also the game. The game is also the bonus. Ow. It's crazy though. I really want bread. What? Ouchie. I don't think I want to play. Chaos Shuffle. Oh no. Oh. I don't know what just that noise was. I can't play Killer. I can't play Chaos Shuffle.
What is a man? A miserable little pile of secrets.
You hear that? All you men in chat are apparently a miserable pile of secrets, which is really mean. Do you guys have secrets for me? It's always on my mind, like always. Dude. The fact I told Carla, just like, damn, you must be pent up, and she's just like, don't fucking remind me. Go away. So funny. Sure, both of them. I'm just trying to go through this. What's that? That gets me absolutely nowhere, so I want that. Vroom, vroom. Pretty sure he meant mankind, like human. Nah. Nah, doc. He meant men. Man. Man. Worst headache ever? What's up, y'all? Have you taken medicine, oh dear? If you need to go at any time, please take care. Rest your little head. We're doing better here. I was in a fit of rage and very distracted momentarily earlier, but we're better now. Hold on, I'm sending my friend another angry cat. Okay. Would you guys like any killer in particular that I own? I wish I could put filters. Owned. There we go. Wow, I don't own a lot. Should we buy a new killer? What's this? Is there a bonus right now? I don't know what this means. It's been so long. A little kitty cat. We have kitty cat. And we have a demo dog. I forgot I had the demo to Gorgon. Little ghost face, so cute. I think we'll stick with Dracula. I need to get used to his fire flame. I figured out how it worked because Jordan said, oh yeah, it's like Nemesis's whip. And I'm like, oh. So I can't go through walls. It's not like pee-pee head that goes. That does not explain anything to anybody who doesn't play DVD. I'm so sorry. I'm great at explaining things. Do I have little charms on him? Customization? Cool. They know I'm gay.
Help, it's at 84%, now it's going so slow. Also wanna know what is on my mind? I'm romancing Leon on a save instead of Elliot. That's fucked.
Oh my god. You branched out. That's fucking crazy, Kai. That's the craziest thing I've heard. That's the craziest thing I've heard coming from you. Damn. Also, it's probably like getting the biggest chunks of the download now. Soon you'll be able to come back to the non-crunchy stream. Human greed. What fucking perks do I have on him? Oh, I still have only his perks. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh. B. And spelled right? IB. The glare that I gave stream is just like, when I read your message, very funny. Okay. Anyway, we're playing. Hi. Hi. I hope it works well. Tell Russia I said hi. Eventually. I'm going for Sam though. I cannot get away from him. That's valid.
Oh dear. Just giving you an update for BG3. Sarah got her eye removed. She decided to fight with a mushroom. She killed a random dwarf in cold blood. And finally she decided to blow up her entire team and refused to heal them.
Doc, I wanna fact check you on those like last 2 points there. I don't know I don't know what happened there. I don't think that's right. I don't think those last 2 points are right. I did kill... No, he's not a... Is he a dwarf? I don't know what he was. I did accidentally kill the man the one time, but then we reloaded. So he's not dead. But the last one...
Implicitly, why would he lie?
I think I said is 100% correct. Then why do I have a mushroom man on my team? I'll open my fucking Baldur's Gate right now, bitch. No choice but to believe Doc Sarah went back. I didn't do it! Are you gaslighting me? Don't know your teleport designation suffer a hindered effect. I teleport after teleporting. What's under 15 seconds? My generator is completed. Create pillars of hellfire. Oh, dark light for 10 seconds? Huh? I don't know what these are.
We
Woo!
downloaded the games, boys.
We did it! We did it! Okay. I'm really distracted, boys. Somebody reel me back in. I do all that? I didn't do it, Car! I didn't, I swear! I swear I didn't do it. I swear I'm innocent. I'm innocent, I tell you I'm innocent. Avoid, have a great stream. Rant later? Okay. Okay, B, okay, I will. You didn't in fact fight the mushroom? He's fighting with you in your party? Okay, well, I'm not fighting him.
Someone in cold blood.
You blew up your team and refused to heal them, not because you refused. I didn't blow up my team though, they were in the back. I blew up myself. Actually, I didn't blow up anybody. I blew up the one dwarf. The one man. I didn't do it! She got back whenever wife is innocent. Yeah, see? Wife believes me! Wife believes me! Guys, like, keep your boss. I want to fuck my perks too. I want to play Dracula. Yeah, we'll play Dracula. We'll fucking play Dracula. Yeah, me too, dude. Misinformation is temperatures. You make it sound like it's just one. It's just one. It's fine. No. Why would you do such a thing? I'll just end stream right now. Boom.
We love misinformation here.
We love gaslight gatekeep girl boss. Okay, this water bottle was a good idea in theory because it means I don't have to get up so much to go get water, but it's really heavy and it hurts my shoulder. I'm quite telling, no! Don't believe everything you hear in your car. They tell lies. They're heathens. I was like, didn't we start a Resident Evil playthrough of some sort? We did, Resident Evil 1. I wanna play Leon. Hey.
I would like to apologize.
Oh.
I misspoke about her blowing up her
Oh.
team. One small mistake.
You know, I forgive you. I just spilled water on the floor. I forgive you. Also, I would like to say, hey y'all, you wanna play Survivor? Seems to be a very, long queue today. You know? You come here often? Y'all, got any games on your phone? Y'all, oh, here, sorry, I won't small talk anymore, I'll leave y'all. I'll leave you be. Oh, okay. What, I almost said, what Doc be playing game? Well, what game does Doc be playing? Please go easy on me, people. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Everything else is
Games?
100% true. I will say Sarah also just straight up murdered Will because, and I quote, God, he's so bad and worthless.
I didn't know I killed Will. I haven't even talked to him. I'm ignoring him. I did get mad at Gail. On my phone, which you should totally play with me. Why not? You have it on your
I
phone?
have Terraria on my phone, which you should totally play with me one time.
Punchy murders? Yes! Oh shit, I should ready up. Oh,
At
well, it
least
doesn't matter.
That's my story and I'm sticking to it.
Hey, at least you're sticking to it. You're dedicated to the cause. You're dedicated. Oh, that's why I hear my thoughts. Okay. Closing that. No. Well, I wanted to close that, but I wanted this. Close that. And then we have this. What do I want to listen to? Payment? Oh, let's play Phantom. Okay. Remnant from Ashes. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, we loaded in so fast. I don't want to be killer. Like to be mean? Dude, I'm fucking tall as fuck. What's that like? Oh. Why can I see him? Sometimes I don't read perks. That's a lot of the times. So, I don't know what the Chica. There's two of them over here. Why do I see him? What did he try to do? I don't know what's happening. Alright, keeps telling me. Damn, it's just making sure you know, you know?
Hey honey, just an observation. It would seem like you really want to play Resident Evil. Nothing is stopping you.
Oh, somebody was on that. You're so right. I always want to play Resident Evil though. Is anybody out here? Oh no, they fucking ran. Okay. I always want to play Resident Evil, but it's fine. Really? Oh, Ada. Hi. Oh, I was too close. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. This Resident Evil with not guns, I mean? You're so right. I love when they do try to trash on me in this game sometimes. I'm just like, in this case, I don't know fucking what I'm fucking doing. I'm just some guy. Literally just some guy running around. One. I don't know why I count my hits. Aww. I did too big of a swoop. No. Wait, somebody right there? What the fuck did I hear the donk? Oh, yeah, dude, that's not making me angry. I have a totem? What's this? Oh, it's a okay. I don't think these survivors have realized they have a brain dead Dracula plan, you know? I should make y'all sit through Alan Wake. But no. Ew! Not the alien hiss. Alien hiss in the chat? I heard that. Boomy. Oh shit, I can't fucking control this dog, bro. I got your scent. I'm sorry, he sniffed. Oh, it's so cool, like going in the different forms. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. What he wouldn't do?
Sarah, I would sit through watching paint dry if it means I get to be here with you and everyone else.
What the fuck is this thing? This took so far. You would really watch paint dry? We should paint sometimes. Kiss my tears today.
Fool.
Ready to go? Why are you about to cry? Me yesterday.
I would too, and technically have with watching my games down.
Aw. Oh.
You can't stop me.
Technically have. Am I watching my games download? Damn, she be doing circles, bro.
I do homework now. See you later, chat cat.
Who? Oh, have fun doing homework. Have fun, Kai. Take care. Stay hydrated. Holy shit, she teleported. Are they crying? Joke's on you. Me.
Oh dear, now great to have here in chat. It would feel different and bad if you weren't here.
Nobody on that one. What's she doing over there, man? I see she over there. Sorry if I can't read you guys at the same time. What am I doing over here? You know, let's just check gens. I'm gonna go check this. I keep on hearing the sniffing nose. I'm like, what? What are you sniffing, dog? There's no. I'm not a dog. Can I sob? What the hell? Why are you gonna cry? We love you. We just love you, okay?
Dobby is free.
Dobby is free. And that way. Let's see. No! The dog is so hard to bite. Yeah, I already broke it. This girl is hurt over here. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Fucking times. Dog is being sappy, Your Highness? Really? I saw what that was. Yeah. Let's go check the other things. They really want that gen, so they'll probably get it. Because she keeps on going in there. Yep, there you are, buddy. I know you would. You like hot? Whoa. What the fuck was that? Here, Doc. I want you all here, as well as we want you all here, everybody. Come on.
being sappy. And if oh dear keeps lying about me, I'm gonna make them cry even harder.
Come in. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. They're so cute. I hope she's okay over there. Right now, oh my god. I'm like, what triggered all this? I really just, you really just. Let me give them a little heart. Stream Elements, stop plugging Discord now. He's not the type. Stream Elements said, "Hey, can I say something?" No one to dream about. Damn. It was sweet. Oh dear, we love you, and that goes for you, Doc, and for you, Kai, and for you, Goomber. Go to sleep. Oh my god. I hope your presentation is ready to go. Oh, I did complete that. Have fun. I will. We're gonna continue being sappy. I'm gonna drown in my tears. Well, don't drown. Don't drown in your tears. I love you very much. I had a shitty day yesterday, oh dear. And you know what made me better? Is because I got to spend time with you guys. Like, you guys make me very happy. So, of course I want you here. I want you to take care of yourself, especially if your head hurts. But, like, I love you guys. There's a reason I stream, and I stream even when I'm having a bad day. Because I was this close to just saying, maybe I shouldn't stream. But I was like, no, I want to see all my peoples. Hashtag needy. Hashtag valid. With a loadout consisting of 4 randomly assigned perks. Knock down 3 survivors? Okay. Didn't know I was doing Chaos Shuffle.
A miserable little pile of secrets.
Sorry, my mouse wasn't clicking. Let's click it out. Nemesis.
Sarah only streams when she's having a bad day because she knows that she'll get gifts. She's farming
No! Sorry, I was so happy to hear the double voices. When it synced up yesterday, that was scary but cool. No! You're gonna buy me gifts either way. Am I wrong? You're giving me biddies. That's still giving me money. And I'm having a good day. I mean, I am pissed off about something, but that's... I'm not having a bad day. I'm just annoyed. I'm gonna be very honest with you. In that moment, I took a drink and then I just started staring. Like, I just started staring into the void. Nothing on my mind, just staring. Do we want to be Nemesis or Wesker? I think Nemesis. Bring it on, Kai? What are we bringing on? Tears? Hell yeah. I don't have many bits left. Weird? Don't you dare say weird. That's fine if you don't have that many bits left. You always buy more anyways. But it's okay. Stop it. No. That's a straight bait I was gonna do. I can't talk about anything I want to buy. Because then I feel threatened. I'm like, no, I can't. I can't talk about anything I want to buy. Never turn down nice things, exactly. But also, I don't need nice things. Having company while streaming and making people's days better is what I want. That's what I want out of this. The gifts are nice. I do love that. As much as saving up money and getting things like my my quest. Because then I get to use it. I do get to play games by myself with it on it. You know, I gotta play like with my friends and whatnot. But like, I also get to use it to play games for you guys. That's nice. I don't really care too much about the money, other than being using them for stream stuff. I don't think I use any of my money outside of stream stuff. So like,
Want to buy? What's on your wish list, Sarah? Come on, tell us. I totally promise I might send the dono.
exactly, it's a threat now, and I can't. I can't. It's a threat. You're threatening me. I don't want this song. We need a proper Halloween playlist. This is like my Halloween vibes. Sure. I'll see if this works. Do they know that I'm fun? I haven't played him since. Holy shit. There we go. Better. Never made on Twitch pays for other subs. That's a mood. I don't even do that. I still give everybody else my actual money because I don't take it out. I have it in a completely different place, saved up. I don't like how that thing on his shoulder was moving. That's a tad bit weird. Aww. I will say, it was really cute the other day. Dude, I fucking love this song. I love clowns so much. I got distracted. Jingle jingle happened in my brain. It was very cute when I had your stream open up the other day, Turnip. I don't know what day it was, but you were streaming earlier in the day. And when I went there to just like pop up your stream, Kai was talking. It was so cute seeing Kai in chat. I love going to people who I've taken you guys to, say like Tori or even Jelly or Autumn. I love seeing them. I love seeing you guys slowly branch out to these people and like actually enjoy them too. And it's so cute to me, and I really love it. Cause I'm like, yeah, new followers here. I want to grow here, but I want my friends to grow too, and I want people who I think are really cool to grow, and spread the love to them, and people and have somebody to spend time with them. In my brain, I come last, so I'd rather you guys spend time with other people I show you than myself, which is bad. But Tori knows my username now. Oh, so cute! I love that. Hello. I hit the wall. Oh, what are my perks? No fucking clue. No fucking clue what that means.
I love chilling in Turnip's streams in there as much as I can be without exhausting myself. I love chilling.
I'm sorry, Carlos. I love you.
On stream at some point.
Bow, 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 bow.
In stream, Sarah comes last. I can say the about myself to smile.
See the smile. Yay! What do you do that for? Knockout remix. Tori and Roblox and Steam? I still need to get... What was that? Was that a bird or a person? Oh, it's a bird. Okay. Scared the shit out of me. I need to get a Roblox, because then I can play with Tori too, and then I can play games with you. We can all play Dress to Impress. Hello? What are we all doing here? You know, I'll leave y'all. Thank you. We'll go check things while they heal. Doc, I hate you. I knew as soon as I said that the jokes would be like, wish I could hear clearly out of my left ear. Oh no, yeah, your ear's so messed up. Have you gotten a... No, because you said you needed to probably go to a walk-in clinic. How many have they gotten one? Are they all just heavily on this side? I guess they're gonna get this one. Yeah. Hello, ma'am. She's gonna turn around. Oh, there's another person there. I'm hungry. Oh, you're not the person I was looking for, but you know. Do it again, I dare you.
Hi, hungry. I'm Doc.
I hate that I got just a good knockdown and then you paired it up with, hi, hungry. I'm Doc. Sorry, Dwight, you going right here. Excuse you. Okay. Oh, nothing there. Okay.
Hi, Doc. I'm KY.
You're KY? Hell yeah! That was a spicy hit. Oh, hi, Carlos. My love. Aw. You're smart. You're not like the others. Okay, at least I could do that. Hey, Carlos. One. It's going the long way.
Hi, KY. I'm Gothic.
Why are they protecting Carlos? I haven't hooked him once. We're going. Oh! I punched him. You all doing a nice little greetings. Okay. I'm here to get knocked down, so. Aww. Okay. Ah. Yay. I was determined to get him, but I just wanted my other knockdown, to be honest. Hi, Carlos. I won't bully you. You just get one hook. You just get your hook, and that's it. Then I go my little way. Have we all properly introduced ourselves? Yeah, sure, I'll chase you, Dwight.
Hi, oh dear, I'm KY and I'm thinking of also going by another name.
Thinking of going by another name? Ooh! Holy shit! I noticed you get when you get hit, you get like. Aw, I didn't sideswipe them. They're so protective. Ghastly! Wow! I'm getting stuck.
Hey, Raiders.
I'm okay.
Sarah. I normally play horror games. I stream
I love
Monday,
hearing it.
Wednesday and Friday. Monday is PG3. Wednesday is farming. And Friday is horror.
Oh! I didn't even know Carlos was still there. Dude, I didn't realize Carlos was still there. I didn't think she was still there. But hello, Raiders. Hi, Ghastly. How was your stream? What were you doing? They have one gen left. Why are they so protective?
Like going by both names also. Hey Raiders, this is the lovely Sarah. We're playing
Yeah.
DBD right now. For October we're playing all spooky or horror games. Except during this season. We're playing a bunch of different horror games.
I mean, I do care if the person is there. Yes. School rarely turn up and see introductions. That is exactly what was going on. Hi, dude. But yes, welcome in. We do like playing horror games here. It is Halloween month, so we are focusing on horror games. Yes, we love them. 1, 2, 3. Okay. But I hope your stream was well. I still have not played Firewatch. So how have you been enjoying it? I do know the story. I watched it way back when. Man, I'm pretty sure I watched Sorry, Carlos, I'm gonna smack you and I'm gonna try to kill y'all. Huh? Oh yeah. I missed Outlast Trials. We can play some today if you would like. What are we all doing here? Okay. Can I hit you through this? So I could hit it over it. This is gonna be fun. Let's be gone. Oh, hey, this is open over here. Yeah. Hello, my friends. Hey. Yeah. Hi. Bye bye. Oh, where's Carlos? Carlos. Oh, he's over there. Carlos, leave. Carlos is over there. Okay, sorry, I can't watch too much or read too much. Wanted to play it since I watched Markiplier. Yeah, it's Markiplier that I watched then. Being female version of Kai, which means straight. What's that name? Ooh, wait, I need to catch up. How are you? Trials. Do we want to play some Trials today? Because we can. Because Killer Q was really long the first time, so we can see how it goes. Spooky Scary Skeletons? Would you like Spooky Scary Skeletons? That'll be good. Let me see if it's on this playlist. Killer. Oh, it is. Okay.
Sarah, we can play whatever you want.
Okay, well, you're right. But I got excited, so I'm like, do you want that? We can play that. Getting had me crying a little. Made it to the second day. So far I'm enjoying it. That's good. Also, Gasly, if you need to, go take care of yourself. If you need to de-stream a little bit and then come back if you want. If you need a dip and go take care of stuff, that's completely fine. But please take care of yourself. Oh, I have to actually do good with this. I can pick my perks now, though. I'm gonna use Wesker on the screen really quick. I'm gonna go run to the restroom, and then we can decide what to do. I just like games, okay? I like games, and now you guys are giving me options. I'm like, oh my god, I can play things? How loud? Actually, how loud is the music for you guys? Okay, you'll be fine.
Play one if the games game me so I can play them.
Hi, Dee. I know. Dr. Pepper? Is a stream called Twitch Days that I bounce around Twitch. Hey, right? Ooh, okay. Well, Dr. Pepper is a good choice, Gasly. Good choice. Doc gave me? You like games? Well, we like you, exactly. I got 2 cuties. Just like you guys. Like, you a cutie? No, you. Your favorite drink? My friend Nash, who's gone doing laundry right now. Okay, calm down there, Wesker. Her favorite drink is Dr. Pepper. She, like, lives, breathes, and eats Dr. Pepper. It's so funny. We joke around that it's in her bloodstream at this point. It's good, though. I haven't had Dr. Pepper in a while. I kind of want some. Let me peel my cutie. Did Spooky Scary Skeletons play for you guys? My cat's gonna hate me if she comes up here. Cats hate citrus. But unfortunately, I have orange trees. I don't have cutie trees, but I have orange trees. Jokes about that. She knows what's up. I think it's my favorite thing, especially like whatever said drink that you like drinking a lot for everybody here. I love. She eat Dr. Pepper? I don't know, but she does it. I love just joking people like, wow, you live, eat, and breathe that. Oh, it's a Final Girl song. I like this. Okay, Wesker, calm down. Okay. True. Oh my god, caramelizing Dr. Pepper? That seems interesting. We use Dr. Pepper to make his barbecue sauce? That makes sense. Oh shit. I do like that one. Egg. This one is my favorite. I have 28. Okay. Actually, use this one. I like this one. Perfection. My favorite is the helicopter joystick, but it's gone.
I'm gonna head off now. Gonna go on a call with oh dear, I might be back. It's been fun hanging out. I genuinely enjoy you guys' company.
I love how you spell that out every time. Okay, guys, take care. Have fun with oh dear. Barbecue sauce and whiskey. Dr. Pepper and whiskey barbecue sauce. That's interesting. Just sacrifice a can or two. You have to do your obligation.
Obviously, I'm leaving too. 3 see you later. I love you guys.
No worry, you guys. Take care. Have a good time. Sounds like a nickname.
Joystick. Sounds like a nickname for a penis.
It does, but it is most literally a helicopter joystick. Yeah. Jesus Christ, Wesker, I was looking at my cat, okay? She's cleaning her face. She's so cute. You know what I still do want to get? I should see if they have it. Is that stupid little bendy plushie. It's so cute. I wish they had it in big form, you know? Like the Nessie. Not just small guy. Well, in the time span of sitting here for a queue, I have peeled and now eaten 2 cuties. I guess I'm a fucking liar. I didn't fully eat the cutie. Okay. Anything better? That cake. Or soup. I have soup. I don't know what my perks are. Hold on. Survivor, sir, is that Bloody Echo? Cool, okay, sure. I don't know why I have Bloody Echo on here, but okay. Was it tie-in from both Amazing Spider-Man and new Jurassic Park movies? Really? That sounds so cool. I was like, I know this artist, it's fake tape. Dee Dee, you're gonna fall off the bed. She's so. Woo! Did y'all see Wesker move? Thank you for the follow, Best Bean. Welcome in. Welcome to the Meowsicle cult. Welcome to the cat cult. The cult of bread cheese. As we say for Cult of the Lamb. Whee! The Meows cult. It almost sounds like the mouse. And I'm like, no, not the mouse. Oh, that's from my water bottle. Okay. Type go. Scary bitches. Can I have this added? Oh! The underground complex. Exactly. You know what's up, turn up. That's what I say all the time. I need to find a better job. Hi, guess what? I don't know this map very well. I was a person, it's not a person I need. I'm so scared. I don't know where I am.
Hey, oh best bean. Welcome to the cult. We have cookies and sodas. On Saturdays we sacrifice the unworthy and the non-believers.
So right. So right. Thanks for giving me an explosion because I have no fucking clue where I'm going, so thanks whatever survivor did that. What's happening in here? Sounds like a good cult. It's a great cult. You want bread cheese? Ada! Hi!
Time is over.
We got bread. Oh, Ada! Hi! Thank you for the lurk. Ah, yippee!
Performance indeed. 7 minutes is all I could spare to play.
I fucking love that line. Anyways, I hope you have a good time with us here. Sometimes we do fulfill the prophecy and I'm eating bread cheese, so it's very funny. It's technically cheese bread, but I don't know why I named it bread cheese. Oh, they left it. Like, who's here? Nobody, apparently. Where art thou going?
Plus we all get swanky
You can't
careers.
hide
You got to
forever.
make them yourself, and if you don't make them, you unfortunately will be on the sacrificial schedule.
Well, I guess you're going down here. I love how you have to make them yourselves. I do provide layouts, you know. You can have a color scheme, whatever you want. But you gotta make them yourselves. I like that it's on schedule. We take no delays. No delays here, no dilly-dallies, even though I literally delay stream because I was laying in bed yesterday. And then I forgot what time it was and I was like, fuck! Wesker, Mr. Whiskers. Anybody up there? Oh, what's happening here? Hello. She's in a corner. I'm leaving her. I feel bad. I didn't think it would be Ada. Oh. What's that noise? Anybody? No? We are efficient. The only time we're inefficient is when the cult leader is like, yeah. And then you get all the you all get a pass if I'm late. Oh my god, I haven't heard this song in a while. Oh! Really, it again? No, she can go. How did I manage to run into you
I have been
again?
offended. My friends have not seen Alien Romulus.
Really? They're coming to take you away. Haha. Have your friends seen the other Alien movies? Oh, it's you, Ada.
Hello, pretty W. Lady.
I feel bad, but pretty W. Wow, I'm a W now? Hehehe. Flips hair, there you go. Hi, Kevin, how are you? Not seeing Romulus Doc, you should. The ending monster is whack. Oh, it's Rebecca. Rebecca, you gotta get at least like your little bit of like. I think I unfortunately made friends with him. I was a fun killer. Oh. Oh, up she goes. Still haven't seen Romulus? Heard it's good. It is really good. I do highly recommend it. I loved it. I've seen it twice. I was supposed to see it a third time and I forgot to text my friend because I got busy. But I do highly recommend it. Probably not. Damn. I mean, honestly, like a lot of the Alien movies that are like different cast, you don't have to watch the rest. You miss a little tidbit of like the Easter egg of understanding the synthetics and whatnot. But like overall, it's not the end of the world. But like Romulus is so good. Check it out, read it again. Okay, I'll read it for you. I understand why they chose this Wesker, but I kind of wish they had chosen to use Resident Evil 5 ending Wesker. They should make. Hello. Whoa. Why'd she run back in here? It's the third time this stream. Jesus Christ. Fun for you. No. I want to murder you. Okay,
You're
fine.
merely postponing the inevitable.
Squirrel. I like the vibe of this. Sorry, Ada.
Is that the best?
Okay. You should get a counter how many times such as you've never finished because 80. Well, part of it is also the fact that I am playing a game turn up. I can't really focus completely on reading you guys. So there's also that. Don't come at me. I will in fact clap back and be a bitch. You are crazy. Oh. Hello, ma'am.
Too bad you won't make it much further.
It's been a shitty week, so I will in fact clap back. I can see here and there. Ma'am. Where'd she go? Get out of here. It's very unfortunate. Where's the nearest one? Over here. Okay. I'm trying to be mean, just playful. I know, but I will in fact clap back. I will in fact clap back. I like Gothic's clap back. Gothic's just like, yeah, fucking do it. It's so funny. I don't know what that noise is in there. I don't know what these people are doing. She's lying. She won't clap back. I'll cry. You guys get me angry enough, I cry when I'm angry, and I don't think you guys want that. Except Gothic. Cause Gothic every time just like cry, do it. I don't clap though. That's valid. I'm sorry for your loss. You don't clap. No clapping for you. We can clap for you. Turn up. Oh, you're fine, ma'am. I'll come back for you. I'll come back for her. Cry, no balls, and yep, exactly. Man, I'm not mean. No, I know you're not mean. I'm just saying, it's been a week. Anything and everything. Ooh, I see my play. Oh my god, that's so much fun. What they do, they need 2 left. Which way you want to go? I see everything. I don't actually, I'm quite blind. Get chocolate before I start writing? Yes, go get chocolate. No worries. Aww. I mean, I could just break everything. Yay! And a hook right here. Oh. Bloop, bloop. I don't even mean to go after the Resident Evil characters. They're coming straight at me. I just never stood a chance. She really didn't. I'm not trying to be mean to the Resident Evil characters. I need those medallions. Aw, she slapped it in my face. Aw, she slapped it in my face. I like the doom every time. It's so funny to me. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's why I keep those up. Rebecca. Rebecca, sweetie. Okay, now you're in the back, so I'm gonna slap you. Oh! But you stay there.
Just accept your fate.
You was not the goal. Hehehe. I don't know what's happening. I feel like I'm the mean one in this. I'm the murderer. Where did I leave her? Sorry, did they get her up? Okay, good. Oh, somebody exploded that. So whoever's there. Hello? I heard you exploded it. What did you explode? Did you open a key? I got stuck on the wall. Wham, boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That one's broken. Oh. No, I can't take you that way. Yeah. Oh! There's the hole! That shit probably gets off. Yeah. I got so confused up there. I don't know where the other lady is, though. You know, you go. Let's go find the other lady. She's not up there. I'm thinking she's over here. Oh, my phone bust. Computer noises. Bro, computer noises. I don't want this song. Did they fixing this? Oh, they are. Not allowed. I didn't know it did that, y'all. Okay, I can skip the song. I love this fucking song. Okay. I don't know where to go. I see that. Huh? I'll kill her, don't worry. Actually, I can't. Butter me. Swing, swing, swing. Chop, chop, chop. Swing, swing, swing. Chop, chop, chop. She's in here. No, sorry, ma'am. I need my medallions. I need my medallions. Hi, miss. I feel bad. There is an ICP song. Ever heard? It was game. Ooh. I feel like this is the first one that I've ever heard. This and one other song. Let me see. No, it was this song. I heard this one. Dang. Chop, chop, chop. Swing, swing, swing. That was a very weird game. That felt very odd. Oh, that's so cool. I think I completed it, and it just doesn't say. Hi. Oh, yeah, I'll do that. There we go. Okay. What do y'all want to do? Nobody clap back at me. Oh, we'll do anything. We'll watch you play anything. I'm indecisive. DVD doesn't tickle my brain as much. What do you want to do? Yep. What do you want to do? What do you feel like? Why not saying the damn thing? Oh, Because like you all will say the same thing. You all are just here for the vibe and for keeping me company. DVD is very weird. Oh hey Red, how are you? That frog is how I should be. That's how everybody here should be. Turn up. I hope it didn't upset you though. You want me in person. I want you to know. Thanks. Chop, chop, chop. Let's see. Doing good? Just working right now? Well, hopefully work's going well for you. Hopefully work is doing good. Hopefully Junior's work is good. I like being the little voices in people's heads. This man's so goopy.
I will play my role for now.
About the little voices, I know. Like, it's just too. You're just casually. It's just like, you know, you become friends with the voices in your head, you know? Work is okay? Hey, that's something. At least it's okay. Damn, he's skinny queen. Look at that waist. Oh, the book stays in his chest. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like listening to a podcast and then they start talking to you. They start talking back at you. We're talking about you. Oh. We're talking about you. We're talking to you. We're responding. Voices in my head need to be stopped speaking. Are you like fulfilling some prophecy in your head there? Are you some ancient Egyptian prophecy being foretold? Ooh, true. That's a real question. Does ancient Egyptian actually sound cool? Actually, I'm pretty sure it sounds cool either way. Does it sound cool? I think we should seek for DVD. There's nothing really ticking my brain. Right now it's just turned off. How do hieroglyphs sound? Or do you just, is it just like these symbols just in your ear? Ancient Egyptian? Because I've never heard this language before. Valid. But like, does it sound cool? What'd you be hearing? Fields, final. Finals. I'm looking at all my games. Oh! I just realized one of my friends, specifically, I'm pretty sure, actually, oh, it might be Joshua that has this one. Oh no. Previously, friends who have played the card previously. Oh. What has it on it? Oh. Jordy is the provider of this one. I own the quarry. I didn't know I owned the quarry because it's in the family share. Is tickling your brain? What about Resident Evil 1? Oh, I forgot about Resident Evil. I'm gonna be honest, I forgot about Resident Evil tickling my brain. This is what I tell you about Resident Evil. Never listen to the voices when I talk about Resident Evil. Because it's a constant need. What's this song? I like that. This has tickled my brain. You know, the voices could be speaking Martian and we just assume that's how ancient Egyptians spoke. That's valid. When are you playing Bioshock again? I don't know. Ow. I got my ring stuck on my thumb. I played through them once. We have so many other games we could play.
Are in motion.
There's my Dracula. Huh.
and wondrous place.
Let me check something on my phone. Oh, it is this song. I thought I recognized it. I just didn't know what the beginning sounded like. Crying has two of the... Napa? Oh, really? I never wanted to play the... Like, I wanted to play Quarry, but I never really wanted to spend the money for it, because it wasn't the... Like... Until Dawn is literally... Nothing's gonna beat that. But I really wanted to play the Quarry. It seemed like an interesting story. Fits perfectly on all my fingers. Do I have... thick pinky or a skinny thumb? Ooh, that's a real question, Junior. I just have baby hands. I have to wear either smalls or extra small gloves for like the doctor gloves, because we have to use them for cleaning. And by that I have to wear smalls. They just still move, and I'm like, they don't stay on. Usually when I dye my hair, I try to find the extra smalls because my mom brings me some. I got baby hands. You're a doctor glove wearer? Unfortunately, I am a doctor glove wearer when I'm working with sweaty people's clothes. So yes, I am a doctor glove wearer. On the occasion, I wear the doctor glove. I didn't go to doctor school, but I can wear the doctor glove. You know? No doctor school here, but doctor glove? We got that. Oh, this is Ghost Town. Okay. Someone say doctor? PhD at Austin. You sure fucking do, buddy. You do. No one can tell you otherwise. One of my thumbs... Oh, that's interesting. One of my thumbs is smaller than the other one for like a ring. Because like, this ring can fit on this thumb. But I can put it on, but it gets stuck here. Like my bone at the knuckle stops it more. It gets stuck on that, which now I'm like... Ow. I should not put it. I didn't expect it to actually get over that, because it goes over this one like smoothly. This one? Oh, that hurts. Okay, PhD, a pretty huge dick. Fuck yeah, nice cack. Sorry, I love that stupid meme. LMNOP in the alphabet soup? You got that LMNOP. I don't got one of those, Junior. You're doing better than me. My brain activity has dipped. What is my friend plaguing? And I'm trying to figure out what will make the jingle jingle happy, you know? It makes me happy seeing Dracula on this screen. Okay, that's why I wear my suit at desk. Hell yeah, you gotta wear your suit to show off that elemental P. Fuck it up. They all drawing? Oh, one's watching a movie. Okay. Yeah, so creepy. Wow. My surnames include PhD, D&D, PI, Squire the Ninth. Squire the Ninth. Damn, you got so many surnames there. You got so many? Sorry, I'm stuttering. Shut up, Dracula. I'm an Esquire, as in I'm a Spanish squire. And God. Oh God. Esquire. I love that. I love that so much. I was checking something, sorry. Yeah, but red lipstick. I just looked at this goddamn. What about a. I love Ghost Town so much. They're called an And got on Steam. Looks so fun as hell. There's a game? Let me just like shuffle this water bottle over. Let's see. That's Discord. Oh yeah, there was meowing at the end of that song. I forgot. I got really confused. I was about to be happy and then sad. There is a game called this. Oh my god, I just see her kicking somebody off a ledge. Oh, that looks so much fun. Like, dumb. It looks like really pretty art style, though, truth be told. Trade with Twitch Prime? Trade with Twitch Prime, you heard it here first. Mid-year deals? What am I getting excited about? I'm sorry. I just want to say I clicked on Resident Evil 4 because I'm like, oh, should I just play that instead? But I've played it a lot on stream. And like, I hate pulling up bigger like story games during Halloween. I just want to play like short games and Wednesdays, whatnot. When I went to go click on it, sorry, that was my internal rant. They have Capcom mid-year deals now. And I was like, so Resident Evil's on sale. What fucking Resident Evil am I gonna buy? I have them all. What am I getting excited over? I've bought all the Resident Evils already. What? Why am I like this? I see that Resident Evil goes on sale. I'm like, oh look, I can finally buy it. I've bought it before. I could buy the gold editions instead, but I literally have the games. I don't know why my dumb little brain got excited. I even have the pre-order stuff and expansions. Did they remake Lollipop Chainsaw? Has it come out yet? I know there was talk. Oh, I have all the Devil May Cry's too. I can't even buy any of those. God fucking damn. I can buy the extras, but I don't need those. Ooh. Oh, the skin's so pretty. Ooh. Fighter. Sorry, it's on the cap. Sorry, I actually started looking at stuff now. Okay. Yes, it has. Ooh. I never actually originally played. Oh, that's so cute. The little name of it. Lollipop Chainsaw Repop. That's so cute. I never played it. I always wanted to, and like my biggest memory was when I first got into conventions and cosplays. I remember when Jessica Negri was starting to get really popular. It's because she did a Chainsaw Lollipop Chainsaw cosplay, but it was so fucking good. Oh, it looks so cute. That skin is so pretty. Say to my victims. Mood. As you should. I like how we're just chilling in DVD. That was Pumped Up Kicks and the Halloween mix. That's a choice. I'm trying to fuel my brain with motivation again. I would say Dead Rising games are on sale. I can buy those. Nope. I already have them. What I say to my oranges, the skin is so pretty. That's a mood. My sister played it. I watched a little bit of it. Now I kind of want to play it. Honestly, I would say I recommend it. It has some really funny jokes in it, from what I've seen. Night Warriors. Oh, it is original Darkstalkers. No, that's Vampire Survivor. What? I like Darkstalkers fighting game. Who wants to play DuckTales Remastered? You'll never ever meet another me. You can get the Disney, what the fuck is that? Afternoon collection. Me, fuck yeah. Monster Hunter arc. I don't know how to play Monster Hunter. I really should plug in my controller and play it. When I played with mouse and keyboard, and I was so confused. I really want to play Wilds, so Monster Hunter Wilds. It looks so pretty, and the girl's so pretty in it. But I have Monster Hunter Rise. I played that for a little bit. I had my cats. I love my cats. I didn't know how to play it though. DuckTales. What's your favorite color, Nick? Blue, no wait, green. I love learning new things about you. I fucked up, it's yellow. That's me. Please play on controller. I'm an idiot. Coco, have you played Elden Ring? Are you an Elden Ring, a Dark Soulers? What do you play Resident Evil Village? Reventure. Ooh, that's a cute game. I'm shopping, and then I'm also looking at my own game list because there's so many more. Jocelyn's been asking if you'll play Monster Hunter. He needs more friends to play the games with. Ooh, well, I could try. I've never played it now, Nash. I don't have Monster Hunter World. Favorite color is? Answer pending. Please wait. That's a mood. To try it? Okay. Valid Coco. I do recommend. One, we're providers for the family. We have all the Dark Soul games. That's not provided by me. Elden Ring, we have so many copies. But I will say, I get those I get the looks of like disgust through Discord because I played all of my Elden Ring. My only Souls experience has been playing with mouse and keyboard. Jordy also regularly trashes me because I am also a type of person that if the controller's weird, like in Resident Evil 4, E is to crouch. I don't change it. I just keep it. I'm like, okay, that's weird. I'll do that. Just like control in Resident Evil 7 is to heal, and I hit it by accident a lot. I need to play, but I suck at games. We'll teach you. We'll put you through your training art, Ash. Don't let him trash you. Clap back. As I say, oh, turn up. If he was here, I would clap back at him. Don't you worry. He ain't even here to defend himself nor to say shit, but you right, turn up. Do a mouse and keyboard Soulborn experience? Sarah, why? I didn't know. I didn't fucking know. Loves you too. Hey, I'm so used to mouse and keyboard. You put me on a controller and I suck. I don't know how to control a controller anymore. I was playing Gears of War at my brother's house and I'm like, what the fuck is this? How do I aim? And my sister-in-law's dad was like, wow, they sure took you out fast. I went, yeah, they did. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to play. Have you played? I've not played Ace Attorney. I've never played it. I watched Nikki play it a little bit, but not too much. Playing It Takes Two since July? The weakest link? Holy shit, Nash. Get it together. Get it together, soldier. You gotta finish It Takes Two. It's not that hard. Just put a little brain power into it. Somebody put a mod on Claire in Resident Evil 2 and she doesn't have a shirt on. Tell me you can do it! Hands are too small to hold a controller. Hey, I have a PlayStation 4 controller, okay? It's fine. It works for me. I love how we're just sitting here now. I needed a yap break. That last game was odd. Let's see. Have I gotten any heart achievements? Does complete this game play segment? Oh, Ghost Fiber. I've not read all the files in Resident Evil 2. Oh, it's probably in one of the game modes. Anyway, a wink. Bye. Bye, Nash. Have fun grocery shopping. Remember? What is that? Really, Yakuza just came past.
Me.
Hi, Wilk. Real. Well, Coco, I guess we both got to get a gamepad. Can we rob Jordy and steal his gamepad? And then we can play it. Is it a PlayStation controller? Xbox controller for me? I like PlayStation controllers better. I want to put funny little stickers on my controller. I'm not gonna lie, because it's really cute, and I bought it with stream money because somebody donated money because I really wanted to play the PlayStation games, but I didn't have any sort of controller because my brother has them all. And so somebody in chat donated money, and then I cried. and then I cried when I opened it out of the box. So when I am, so morning, I wake up at this time, right? Sure. How you doing this fine morning? How you doing this fine morning? Remember to breathe between sentences? Absolutely not. You can't stop me. You can't tell me. You can't tell me to. I cast manual breathing on me, Junior. Just a way, another way of saying controller. But I'm jelly. Jordy's fight scene. Honestly, get my ass is straight fight with it. We can. Coco, hear me out. We can beat his ass in real life, and then take it. Remember not to breathe? Exactly. You're so right, though. I'm scared of fighting him in Street Fighter.
I am back and it's half midnight and we came off Stardew cuss computer stuff.
Oh no. When computers decide to fail, it really sucks. Hopefully Stardew was good, though. For the time being. Attention every time you blink. I blink a lot. I do actually blink a lot. Manual blinking. Blink. Blink.
I cast being aware that your tongue is uncomfortable in your mouth.
I don't have to tell you, dog, but let me tell you, I already know that all time. To see him again next month, give him enough for both of us. Hey, fucking yeah, Coco. I'm gonna send him like a menacing meme, and he's just gonna be very confused. Like, what? It's like, don't worry about it. You'll understand soon. Let's see, Wilk. You got a 4. You should not be awake at this time. Vampire question. Would you rather not be allowed to enter places without an invitation or lose your reflection? I'd rather not be be allowed to go into places unless I'm invited. Because one, my anxiety also, I want to make sure that I'm allowed into places. Like, am I okay to be here?
Everyone is being nice to you and you're overwhelmed with emotions and start crying.
That's how I feel, Kai. But it's the other way of emotions today, and now I'm just like, can I calm down? Let's see, Kai. You're 3, which makes sense because you exactly what you said. And you kind of text, it's coming. As soon as you get on that plane and you start flying over there, I'll send him that and just be like, what? It's like, oh, anyway, so you know, editing, like what's happening with that? It's been like, what? What do you mean? What did I get? I wasn't paying attention. You got a 4 because you shouldn't be awake at this time. Selection, I barely look in the mirror anyways. Oh, I like looking. I like being able to see myself in a mirror. Too focused on the vampire question. That's valid. What would be your option? Well, we do have Dracula on the screen. Way out scenario, no training mode. Damn. Down, 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 down. Hi! Hi, Stephanie Witch. How are you? Let's see, Kevin. You got all 3 too. What's up with you? 4? Seems like it's still from Tuesday. It's valid. What's coming mean? Oh, let's see, Josh. Let's see. Also, for anybody here for DVD, we are taking a little mind break. Last match was very weird, and now my brain is just like, do I want to play this game? And we're just yapping. You got a 15, Josh. You got a fucking 15. You're doing great. If you become a vampire, would you avoid feeding on your friends, or would you turn them so you can all be friends forever? I think Nikki would get very mad if I did that. I mean, if they want to get turned, I'll fucking turn them. If they don't, then I'll be like, but bitch, you're gonna make me cry. And I'll get them. Get them. See, you got a hat roll. I think I would try to avoid feeding on my friends. Unless, like, it was the safety of, like, oh, I wouldn't kill them and it's not that bad. But I don't think I would want to feed on my friends. I don't want to hurt them. Remember my existence and birthday? When the fuck was your birthday, Wilk? I don't have everybody's birthdays marked down. Guilt trip vampire run, woo! Emotional trauma vampire. 4 minutes left till detonation. Oh. We need to get higher rankings. Sizzling Scarlet Hero on Resident Evil 2 still. Yeah, let me bring back the game sound. You're a vampire, but you get run from the guilt and feeling you hurt. Exactly. My unbirthday, the 24th. Damn, it's fucking yesterday. What was I doing yesterday? Oh, I was having a mental breakdown yesterday. Well, but happy belated birthday. I hope your day was okay. What's the Scooby do? Gonna be turn? Avoid feeding on them. Yeah, I can agree with that, Doc. That's a good play. You wouldn't pull an Astarian? Well, if I'm desperate, I'm sure they wouldn't mind a little nibble. Mental be. Fuck. If I don't that clue. Bam, bam, bam. Make down. Mental make. I can't speak English. Holy shit. What's the Scooby do? Make up about you. We're gonna solve that mystery. I think I need my dredgy boy if we're gonna play more. Happy mental breakdown day. Whoa! Na da 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 da. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I am feeling better today. I'm slowly losing it a little bit. I think it's one of those weeks where I'm just like teetering on the edge constantly. So like, I am what I say for everybody. If you roll a 10, one good thing will boost you up and one small thing will boost you down. I'm at that point right now. So I just have to keep myself in check. What is the Scooby-Doo song? Go So Hard? Dude, it goes so hard. I think that was the... Oh. Thriller? Sorry, Thriller. That was my high down low too. Let me see if the other one's on here. I couldn't find a playlist for a second. I was like, where am I? Scooby. No. Let me play my favorite Scooby-Doo one. This is the one that goes absolutely hard. Sorry, Monster Mash. We're coming. Oh, welcome back, Ashley. Okay, hold on. Let me take a drink really quick. Turn it. I would never pull an Astarian. At least not with friends. Maybe that's valid. If I had one. Why do you sound like the dad from Timmy Turner Fairly Odd Parents? That like, I would be happy if I had one. Okay, let's see. You got a 17 turn up. Chocolate? Now I can put my characters through angst. That's very appropriate. You gotta have your chocolate for that. I see you, Scooby-Doo. You sound like a word person at the corner of the room with the legs that close with a and singing a tune crazily. That's me. Na 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 na.
I have a sweet little
What do you
treat.
have? What treat do you have? Thank you. You're so welcome. Na 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 na. It's your Scooby-Doo. Do I have this? Yes, it is decked out. Oh, boop me. Oh, thank you, Wilk. Thank you, thank you. Now, do you guys want to have some fun? I didn't mean to click that one. Ah, oh, Killer Bonus here. I don't give a shit. We're gonna play Survivor. We're gonna have some fun. I need a break from Killer and just no think. Oh! I dropped my evil eye. Okay. I was scared it was gonna fall on the floor somehow. What is this song? Keep your eyes peeled. That was a nice little mental break. Thank you all for letting me just yap to you guys. I love this fucking song. Where did I get a buzz from? Can I make whatever you want? Sorry, category. Oh! Badly flips. You're here and I'm having fun. Thank you. I'll cry. I'm at the point that I will cry.
If I opened DBD and tried to learn how.
Well, I was gonna play Chaos Shuffle. You gotta do the tutorial, I will say. There is a tutorial if you open it. I already got a digits to count these streams with. Oh, now you're fine. You got more digits to count. Yeah, watch your heart. Yeah, I did. I feel much better. I'm on the brink of a turn up. But also don't cry. I love you very much. Apartment.
Joke's on you, I was in the tutorial and the game crashed, so now I can't access the tutorial.
That explains a lot. Okay. So did it just kick you out of it? I love you, Turner.
Gonna cry? Good.
What is it? Gonna cry? Good. I wanna play, but I don't have a card. What do you mean by a card? I'd never be your friend. I'd never be your friend. I like that one. It's not too hard. What's brain? A friend is funnier. I'd never be your friend. I am on Chaos Shuffle then, which does in a way force you to learn a lot of stuff. I do want my, this is what I'm feeling right now. Depressed, and unfortunately not a writer, an artist, but a performer.
Yay, it kicked me out. I was in one of the quick time events failing because I was on mousepad.
That's such a mood. So if you boot up the game, it just puts you like, oh, you can play now. It's just like, ah, they did it. Would you let me bite you? I don't want to be a zombie. I'll be stinky. Zombies never eat your brains. I just eat your heart. I don't want your heart. Oh, we do have Lara.
Not right.
I love Lara. Credit card? Do you not have the game?
Rookie mistake. We all know that we have to play on a steering wheel.
So true. So right. Learn anyway in random lobbies? That's valid. This one's... The baseline of learning too, it forces you to learn, is you have perks with each character, like, actually I have no fucking clue what Lara actually has. Oh, finesse... Harden. She got harden and specialist. But if it shuffles it all, so you don't even get a choice of it. Correct choice. If I was a zombie, shoot me. Valid. So true. I just know I don't want voices in my head right now. That's too much to deal with. But seeing neck, I get it. But seeing that neck. This is the remix of Spoozy. Sorry, I need to fix something. Okay. Aw, can't be Ripley. Join, let's cause chaos. Oh my god. Wilk, you should be asleep. No, have the game. Oh no.
Do not actually do maths, homework hard.
That's valid, as you should. If you do ever want to play, let me know. I'm not on this game too much anymore, so it's mainly like if you want to, let me know. Son rip. No. He gets so many jokes. Ooh. I'm trying to get her to use some of my points because I've not worked on these characters. I've just been buying them. Almost went with Brock. Brock's cute only because of Pokemon. My brain really struggled because I really just wanted to say just Pikachu.
I have time tomorrow around when you started stream, I could load up then.
Oh, if I'm free. If I am free. I should be home, unless I'm dead to the world, you know? With the following, unlock a chest, cleanse a plus Toto, rest a trial. Anytime you would scream, reveal the killer's... She knows. She knows. Okay, let's do this then. We gotta get you good at DVD. Don't wanna bother you. Aw, you're never a bother. No, brother. Name is Lee. I just think of Rock Lee. I think it's just that. I feel like I need to change. Hold on. I want to be Bake. That's a nice middle name. My dad and brother had the same middle name. To them. Yeah. Join tomorrow? At that time, guys? If I'm on, yes. Living a bother? No, you are absolutely not. You are a joy to be around. I will hit you with that nice. Like I said earlier, I will clap back. Clap back doesn't always mean it'll be me. And I will clap back with... I love you. They're all at one. I need to get these guys. He's almost there. Oh, I barely worked on them. Best friend called me, and I quote, a little bitch just like that character Rock Lee. Oh my god. Wilk, you're not a bother. You ain't a bother. I love the song. You ain't a bother either. God damn, y'all say you guys are bothers. I'm just here with my little. This evil eye is a great like little shape because it's glass. Evil eye. Well, not all evil eyes, but this evil eye is glass. Most of the time they are. It's like nice and smooth, and I'm just like, this is a nice like worry stone. I should put it in my car. I should put it on the Choco Cat train I have. She knows. She knows. She knows. I'm gonna. You're not gonna. Gonna fight him. Who are you gonna fight?
This is it.
Yeah. This song is a little too loud. What do I have? I don't know what the fucking hell these perks are. Hey, so Kai, the thing about like learning this game. Fucking trickster. Oh shit, bro. Oh, it's Legion. I don't know the perks at all. I don't know the perks at all. So I don't know what the fucking loadout I have. I don't know what I can do. Karaoke stream, do it. I'm scared of singing in front of people. Fight my friend because he's talking he's shit talking Rock Lee. You're so right. Yes, you should. I love him. He's just a little guy. Oh, well, I can show you the game though now, Kai. I mean, you should focus on homework though. You know how anything works? Literally 5 minutes of the game, and then I crash on you. The killers. I immediately stopped when I saw that. The killer smells you. Yeah, he do. But he's on Bill Clinton. I'm sorry, the names. You can't see Bill Clinton's name, but then it's her bitch and Wesker's little bitch. So cute when I don't have mechanics learned yet. Adrenaline, I know what that is. Head on. You think a survivor can endure? Okay. Oh. Fuck, I was standing there. Ah. I don't know what head on does. I don't know what these do. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Oh, you did? Okay, it'd be fun though. I'm saying he's worthless. He just cries all the time. Well, your friend cries all the time. He's worthless. You never see me standing in this corner. You'd never see me down here. For all the time, we can be friends.
All the time, am I worthless?
No, you're not. Only Doc's friend who's shit-talking Rock Lee is worthless at this moment. So you are never. None of you are. The statement has Bakugo energy. Oh, that's such a mood. Oh. Sorry. So I haven't played this game in a little bit and that scared me. And when I get really scared, I E, apparently. Can he, like, leave me alone? I can't stop moving! Okay. Then when I go to dinner and I ate soup for breakfast, and it's now you've slept and woken up. Hey, bitch, please go eat. Oh. I've been left. Alan Wake. Shush hush. What's he doing? Well, Stephanie the Witch, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. That was an interesting match. Jeez? Question mark? Did he not like the perks? Yeah. Okay, let's look at these perks. What is this? While standing in a locker for 3 seconds, head on activates. When head on activated, perform a rush action and leave the locker. Use head on, the killer is standing within stun. Okay, so that's stunning them with that. Well, affected by deep wound, run 3%. Okay. Travel 3 tokens. When a chest has already been opened, consume a token. Oh! Damn, juiced up. Look, I have to go. No worries. Please go take care of yourself. I hope you have a good day and a good rest of your week. I hope to see you around soon. We have Alien Isolation VR on Friday. That was an interesting match. That was a very interesting match. But thank you very much for the follow. Bring my hair onto this.
Things are gonna get worse.
What is the thoughts of my hero here? How's that infection? I will go. Deductions. Let's finish building.
Face the darkness is to embrace one's destiny.
I missed his perk. Oopsie. I didn't expect that to go off. I wanted by the Italian government for putting pineapple on pizza. I'm currently on the run. I wish you luck, soldier. I do like me some pineapple on pizza. It is very fun. And I do like that little tasty. You got KFC? What'd you get from KFC? Anything past summer? Camp 1? Valid, you know? Who said that? There's Sable. Dude, I fucking love Sable. Can't hate on this. But I think it's kind of boring besides the village, you know? For what it is, and especially for the target audience, if you're not the target audience, it's kind of like... I feel like was good at the beginning, and then it kind of dies down. Because it just keeps on going. One of those types of things. But I do love the villains. I really do love the villains. I love the villains and then the spin-off series, Vigilantes. Because I like that kind of concept a little bit more. And I can agree with you on that. The League is the only reason why I liked it. You know, that's valid. That is completely valid. Honestly, I'm not like huge fan of it. I do love it. I have a Hawks cosplay and a Uraraka cosplay. So like, I do love them. And I love the characters. But like... I haven't continued watching it, so like there's a reason I haven't continued watching it, you know? So yeah. Okay, but I've read enough fanfiction. I have a general idea of what's going on and it's interesting. It seems to have its interest. It catches me with some things that I'm like, oh, okay, I like that, and then it dies down again. I'm gonna believe this, Sarah, but I got... Well, like, did you get that bucket? Did you get, like, mashed potatoes? Did you get something else with it? Okay. I'll cry. So that's the killer over there. We're just gonna walk ourselves away from there. Got a bucket with sides. Okay, what sides you get? What you get on your plate? What you be cooking on your plate? What is the rock cooking? Me too. Alan Wake's not a mechanic. Been loving the current season. The animation is going hard. Giving me the season 1, season 2, 5. Ooh, I can fuck with that then. I need to catch up. I'm on season 5 right now. That's where I had last watched with Nikki. So it's been a minute since I watched. Literally, it was that big reveal that was coming out of Dobby and his whole family. I didn't fucking continue watching, and I love Dobby. With the fanfic, I learned quickly what ships are okay to say out loud and which ones are stay. Will put you on, literally on the spot and everything. Yeah, see, it's insane with the fandom for that. So like, I enjoyed the show and characters. Fandom, not part of that. Corn is underrated side. I don't like corn, but I love corn. So there's that. Like underrated ships, that's cute. Okay. I'll go acquire this human. Okay, I must look at the floor, everybody. Hello, Kai. Lesson number 1. This killer is the trapper. He puts traps down. So your foot will get stuck in it. So it's scary. Leo, let's go! Let's go, bitches! Let's go! Let's fucking go! Let's go! Sable up there? I'm running towards him! Oh! Okay, running back in here. I love this song. Oh! Whoop. No one remembers the Bakugo poster incident. Oh, that's not the first time that's happened, and it's not the last time that it's happened. Not specifically with Bakugo, but with a lot of K-pop. A lot of K-pop fans are very weird. So I watched is right after Camp Arc. Okay. Hot Wings? It depends. Ooh, a Hot Wings is such a good ship name. I will not lie. Sorry, I turned into a bird. Ah! No! Oh, he's decked out. Oh, he's a fancy man. He's a fancy man. It puts me on the spot. He's like, why? But why not? I'm like, you like your ship for whatever fucking reason. Be lurking in between matches of Pokemon Unite. Ooh, you're playing Pokemon Unite? I love how you guys check up on each other. It's so cute. Hello, Meg. How are you, Meg? Oh, I didn't even see my perks. Let's fucking go. Go finish that for me, please. Oh, please, for crying out loud, not me. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Gonna ride the edge of the world, though. I don't even know what my perks are. What is... Haste? You see their aura? Okay, so I can see injured survivors. I don't need math at my job? Dude, same. I actually do, but like I'm gonna ignore it. I don't have to do math. Ah! Oh, did he not hear that? Okay. Started shipping Uraraka and Toga? Dobby and Hawks, Dobby and Sawa. Yumi. Oh,
No!
please.
Please!
There we go. Bunny Hero? I forgot her name. I always forget her name, but I love the Bunny Hero so much. Dobby and Shigaraki. Yeah. I like support Izuki, May. So chaotic. That's cute. I like. Honestly, those are really cute. I see why for each one. Hello. Hello. Thank you, Sable. I love you. Oh, fuck. What the f- Dude, he's after me again. I'm sorry, I will run them straight to people. What the fuck?
I can't take much more of this.
That's kind of lame. Okay. Oh. That was delayed. For everything with Froggy? Yes. Ooh. Roku? Yes, I love her. My hero didn't the author come out and say they refused to solidify any ships. I feel like that because he got a lot of death threats and everything. I have a softie, Yuki with me. That sounds like fun though. The amount of times that my Steam is telling me that my friends are playing Beat Saber is really funny. One point I ship. Oh, Ruffy and Deku. Oh, that seems cute. I want to see how they do. Oh. He's on the hook. They're fucking up. What perks do they got? I don't know what that is. I know what that is. Champion of the Light. I know what that is. I don't know what it fucking does. What's he got? I know what this is. I know what that is. I know those two, but I don't know what those are. Mochi's struggling for her life. Oh, I know what this is. I had that. I don't know what these two are. Who is this? Nobody was like helping heal. It's kind of sad. There we go. 'Cause she's shouldn't be almost healed. It's not real, but I feel bad for the characters. Doesn't deserve that. Backburner because everyone's. Dude, yeah, everybody was. Her, and then when they did, this was a bad choice for them. The cover for the Invisible Girl. I forget her name. But they did that to her too. But that was like the whole cover because then it was showing her actual like body because she's invisible and it was like, whoa, she got a face. There's one fic I started shipping. Racer Joke along with Racer Mike. Both good choices. I cosplay as Miss Joke and I love her so much. I love her in Eraserhead. But I love him and Mike. They're so cute. It's like when people sexualize the children of the show. See, that's disgusting. Yeah. Literally, there is heroes of their age. Honestly, especially with my hero, there's a lot of choices. So you can find somebody that is like actually your age and make it like, nah, it's super weird. Canonize being lovers? Did they? I don't think that he wanted to do that. I know the fans were really pushy about. Let's see. My Google takes up the whole screen. I could go. Yeah. Yeah, stop me. I, in fact, did not have fun. I'm getting hungry. How long has it been? 2 hours? Anybody home? Because my door's open. No. I love our TikTok and Twitter. The shippers weren't fair? Really? Interesting. I thought he didn't want to. And mainly because of the death threats that he was getting because of those shippers. Roku and Lady... Dude, I fucking love Lady Mountain. She's on my water bottle. Her and Aizawa on my water bottle. Oh, and Bakugo, but he's gone. And by that, his sticker's like obliterated. Any fanfic that are over in K-word? 89 chapters, but like that's so much fun. That's so much fun. It's just a silly little read. Ooh, I need to do that. They are? Really? That's crazy. Just because of all the stuff that had happened. Nice. I don't want to look into that. That's too much reading for right now. Give me that. Let's stay Alley-Wake. I like playing Alley-Wake. It's got fancy pants on. I really should catch up on reading or watching My Hero. I ain't gonna read that. Maybe eventually, but not anytime soon. I have so many things behind me that I need to read. Oh, my cat's still silently sleeping. Can I put this on this one? Yeah, okay, that's better. Should have probably closed my door. But it's too late for that now.
Better get moving.
I like being on this end. Who is gonna be the killer? Oh. Ah, PP-head. Let's go, bitch. Why me? Why is it me? Oh! Why is it always me? I'm just a little guy. Oh, is he okay? Oh. Hello? He just had to do something. He had to get up from his table. That was so confusing. That was so funny. There were an issue with people making relationships out of friendships. As we know, tell people ship Square and Angel Dust as lovers. What was it? There was something of that recently. Ooh. The big debate of Gojo and Ghetto of their relationship, because people are like, no, it's confirmed that they're lovers, and I'm like, I feel like it could be. Ah, why me? Leave me alone. What is happening? Maybe we don't play DVD. what's happening. It does so hard. I'm so confused. Anyways, Ghetto and Gojo, because people are like, no, they're in love. But like... I'm so confused. I'm just gonna sit here. Charlie and Vicky are cute together. Okay, everything's just gone to shit now. Oh, he's just slugging everybody. Okay. But I'm like, you can also have friendships that are just like, they're in love because they're the friendship love. Canon? I don't ship anyone with Alistair because he's confirmed to AS. Oh shit, that's kind of cool. Leave me the fuck alone, dude. Oh, he's so... Cannon? I'm like intrigued finding all this information because I've never watched Has-Been, so I'm just like, ooh, they ship my sim? I ship. Oh, ship is asexual ass. That's so cute. But that's so cool. I'm thinking that. I'm so streaming. Yeah. He's been playing games with me. I'm gonna go back and watch this. What does everybody have? Was it long before Amazon picked it up? That's so cool that it got picked up. Oh man, this was the D&D map. I just couldn't find my place around. Truth be told. Not like it mattered. He's like picking each one and then choosing them as his target. So weird. Get into Has-Been because of the fandom? That's valid. I think that's originally why I never got into watching the original, but I think I will now. Oh, this is this song. We're just gonna tab out of the game while we wait for this. Also, my mom opened my door. I'm like, oh no, I can't be out now. Also, my cat literally saw my mom and she was just like, ah, ah. And she was just like, oh, fuck, Granny's home. Damn, this is a horrible match. Another human, another. Yes, that's what my cat does. She gets excited when she sees her. Oh, and she's back. She had to go do her greetings and then she made her way back. Dude, this is a weird. I watched it. There were several Alistair cosplays who did a very. Oh, yes! I'm like, it's been a while since the first one came out. That, like, I forgot about that. Yeah. God, like, there's respectful ways of going around it and not doing that. It's fun. I also refuse to acknowledge a fandom for it. That's me with My Hero. My Hero, and I feel like a couple other. A lot of the fandoms that are in now, they're very tame fandoms, so I'm like, thank you. Like, what? Yeah. It's just rough. It's rough with some of the fandoms. It's a lot of the fandoms that parallel to how like Homestuck was. I love this song. Petrified. Dude, this game sucks. Like he's just camping them both. The internet scares me. It does. It's crazy with certain fandoms. I'm more feral than you. There used to be a thing. So if anybody here is like regulars, conventions, or whatnot, like nothing gets Homestuck fans. Some of them are actually very sweet. I didn't have a Homestuck phase. I always wanted to get into it because I was intrigued by it because I'm like, okay, what is this? Like, I'm just curious. Never got into it. And now they're all slugged. But a lot of them were younger people at conventions and they were always stinky. Sharpie bath? They were always stinky at conventions and literally this dude sucks. Like, not the survivor, the killer. Yeah, they were literally the stinky people. Now it's a lot of My Hero cosplayers because a lot of them like jump ship to that fandom, which is fine. But like, it's a lot of those younger people and I don't know why. They're just stinky. This person must absolutely hate life. There's no reward for like winning this. And he just... must hate life. Aw, sweet. There's sweetheart. Who was that? Oh, that was the Adam. Like, I'm pretty sure... I hit the... Is it online? Really... Oh, I didn't even know I had those. Wow. This is why there's been issues with the community being really toxic. I see why. I haven't been playing and you know... I think I'll play one more match and we'll just end there. And either yap or just chill. That's horrible. My Hero Gravity Falls. Love Gravity Falls. There's a good side of Gravity Falls. And there are a bad side of Gravity Falls. Gravity Falls people are getting better. Yes, I was gonna say, like, the good side is, like, I feel like the fandom now has very much evened out, but because a lot of people are older. Build it, yeah, those people... There was an artist that I love that did Gravity Falls artwork, and then I found out they did that. They shipped that, and I'm like, huh? I wrote Gravity Falls. It confused. I confused it for Steven Universe. Feel like those have toxic fandom. Yes, I feel like those are the two fandoms that you can find the sweetest people in, but then the majority of them, horrible. That's so troll. It's so bad. I just can't believe it. I'm just like, really, you guys? Oh, good for you. I do. I'm scared of the dark. Oh, hell yeah, I got both. I think Windy and Dipper is a good thing. Honestly, especially with those kid shows, I'm just like, you really don't need to, like, ship anybody. I like pairing duos of, like, I like these two together. Not as a ship or anything, but I'm like, these twos, they're like best friends. Like, they're the shit. I like the chaos they make, but like nothing weird. I just never understand why people gatekeep sheeps. Gatekeep sheeps? Shit, not the sheeps. Yes, but then they turn around and they ship the weirdest thing. Yeah, I hate the people who gatekeep. I almost said sheeps again. Oh my god. Ships, and then when you try to like actually like understand the ship, because then they get mad. It's just like nobody likes this ship, but it's like I wonder why. You're gatekeeping it. What do you mean predator victim relationship? I don't remember who Wendy is. Hold on. I'm curious now. Okay, Wendy is that one. Okay. That's what I thought. There's only so many characters, but I was like, let me check. Digital people I know? I have no clue. The thing is that 16 and 70, so when she turns 18, they'll be very much a child, and they would be promoting a child. Yes. It would be different if he was like like a year younger, when it becomes that awkward age if they're both 17, but then one turns older. The cycle begins again. Then that's always a like, that's a iffy one. That's a hard one. But like that, yeah. When he's a lumberjack looking girl, yeah, she's. I looked her up. I was like, I'm pretty sure it's her. And Winston, I saw it in Dobby as a ship, and everyone came at me. It's like, you can like someone other than. That's what I hate, is when people like are so. That's why I don't like Bakugo and Deku. Like, is this a Night Court version? Like if they're canon in some form, okay, but like that's the reason I don't really like oh, I have that perk. I don't really like the ship at all, is because they were giving death threats and everything to the writer, and it's the same thing of that. They didn't like any other ship, they only wanted that one. Am I running straight towards the killer? Is this Wesker? It's Wesker! I'm sorry, I ran straight out. I was focused on you guys. What? I'm good at this game. Back in my day, we shipped people who were in completely different media. Kai, you can't say back in your day. That's what I grew up on. That's what... That's... Back in my day, you're making me feel old. I was through that. Not even... Oh, shit. Oh, were you even there for Rise of the Guardians? So Jack Frost? Because that was the shit. Jack Frost being shipped with, like... I'm pretty sure with, like, Elsa or, like, across different things. So funny. Ew, I have wormies. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Yay, okay. Love that movie. I love that movie too. It's so good. Bakugo and Deku, I feel like shouldn't be in a relationship. I feel like they should have rivalry friendship. Okay. Jack Frost and Elsa. Yeah. That was the shit. Rise Brave, Tangled. Oh, Super Hulock. That's the only thing that I can say. Stinky. If anybody here knows what Super Hulock is, that's the original. That was there before before Rise of the Brave, Tangled, Frozen Dragons. Super Hulock. Damn, that was a time on Tumblr. Yeah, agreed. Super Hulock, do not hate, but that was there before. Never ship people growing up, so there may be a side effect of being so true. You never know what they'll be. No, not again. Ah! That's what I get. That's what I get for bringing it up. Tumblr was the Wild West. I am sad that I deleted my Tumblr, but eh. I should make a new one. I would like to browse through Tumblr. Ah! Do you think he'll see me? If I stay still, I don't think he'll see me. I look like a rock. I look like a rock. What is Superhero like? Supernatural, Doctor Who, and fuck, what is it? I jumped. I got jump scared. What was the name of the show? Sure. Yes, Sherlock. I forgot his fucking name. I really forgot Sherlock Holmes' names. Dude. Rose and the Doctor, what's good? That was the end game. Don't know DashCon? Dash. Okay, maybe I should lock in. I made a Benedict Cumberbatch. Benedict Cucumber. Benedict Cucumber. Benedict, yeah. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something else. Oh, I was gonna say a My Hero ship that I think is cute, and me and Nikki both think. Holy fucking shit.
People who ship Twilight from MLP and Mordecai from regular show. Like why?
Mordecai? Was Twilight? Oh, Twilight. I don't know why I thought you meant Twilight from like the vampires Twilight. I don't know why I thought that Twilight.
I remember the My Little Pony Fallouto.
Follow? That's interesting. That was a cute show. I really do like I do like that My Little Pony show. It's so unfortunate what it has become. Oh my god, her nails. Because I think it's a really cute animation. It was a nice rivalry of it. And then finally, we have not got a single fucking generator. Holy shit, we're so bad. You can have your own stinky, ma'am. Oh my god. Yeah, it was burned because of their fandom. Yeah. It's sad because it's a cute show, especially for like actually like kids, you know? Really looking to film. I just saw it online. That's crazy. That's an interesting one. And they have a very toxic community. Okay, let's go. I'm so scared. This is a horrible match. And by horrible, I just mean... Oh my god! I slapped him in the face! He finessed the system! Okay, learning this. We're all learning things. For us old people would be back in my day, fandom ships were a way to connect with strangers and make friends. I feel like that's not even it anymore. Like that's literally now. Okay, I need to focus on this. She got lost in there for a moment. This at least is a like fair match. You should do this afterwards though, man. Now randoms and ships are meant to cause fights and gatekeep, literally. Whoa, man. Oh. Oh, I wasn't close enough to him. Ooh. Let's help Leon. I love Leon so much. I should really look at the screen more. I'm sorry, it just looks like Leon's peeing. Let's go finish the gen I've been working on since the start of the game. Yay. Okay, no, I need to lock in. We're locking in, everybody, okay? Locking in so hard. Locking in so hard. I shouldn't be staring at the bar. I should be staring in the middle of the screen. Locked in too hard. It was out of focus. We have another gen. I need to split up these gens though. How bad could it actually be? I'd be included, but I'm also scared of context? Oh, the Omegaverse? I don't even know anything too much about that, truth be told. That one actually is out of my forte, and like, you know, I'll be perfectly fine not knowing. He's running in there. He's chasing him. Find him. Huh? Oh no, Leon's up there. Oh! Oh. Ooh. What? Oh. Okay. Okay, he likes us. I think he felt bad. Unstinky you, sure. Oh, actually. Let me heal you too. That's words. Doc, what the fuck was that? What is that, huh? Stinky over here, Stinky over here. Do they think that Stinky gonna spread? Yay. Yay! That content flooding my feed though? Interesting, interesting. I feel like we've unlocked a lot of old memories of fandoms. I'm trying to think of other ones. The way he's running is so funny. Trying to think of weird fandoms. I don't think I have any other ones that were like crazy fans. Fucking goosebump opening? The little. Anybody here like Goosebumps? There's a. I remember watching the episodes of Goosebumps on the TV, on my like old TV, and by that it was a huge TV that we used to have, but it was like the box TVs. Yes, I love Goosebumps so much. There was one episode that scared the shit out of me because suddenly our volume turned all the way up, and I think probably somebody just accidentally pressed it, but like it scared the shit out of me. And door. Haunted. Haunted house. Unfortunately, it's this house that I live in. Oh, Leon's spreading the good news. Hashtag cheese. Goosebumps? You tell me you love me? Does that count? I mean, that is Goosebumps, but not the right Goosebumps. You want to watch that show? Did read a lot of books. I never really read the books. I was really bad at reading as a kid. I was a terrible reader. Now I'm a good reader. I just get very distracted easily. Back then I hated reading. Slappy episode still haunts me. The episode that haunts me was specifically when the family goes to like that little like amusement park. Yay! Ah, pick him up. Yeah, I got this, Wesker. Oh, he's showing me his ass. There you go. Be not stinky. Oh, you got snazzy moves there. Yay! Oh! I went too close. John is fucked up, sending me things that have been uploaded for 3 years now. Oh, it's a little fucked up. It's a little messed up. Okay, I think on that note, we shouldn't stream. That was such a cute little match. We'll yap for a little bit. No. That was so cute. Got a lot of points. Me and Leon fucked it up. So sweet. I love nice little killers, especially after the, you know, the PP head killer. That was one hell of a match before. I'll do that. Okay. Hello from here. Let me revoke that. Get out of this game. Oh, the dredge is on my front screen now. What was a good stream? What song is this? Ghostbusters! It's fucking Ghostbusters, bro! It's Ghostbusters! Sorry, I texted my friend this morning. I was like, yeah, I'll give you the heads up when I'm there for Not Scary Farm. I messaged her, I'll give you the hearts up. And then I immediately messaged, I meant heads up, but you know, hearts up works too. We understand we are. We're gonna gap for a minute while I get everything set up, but yeah. My brain's a little lacking now. It took a... It's a little lacking now. Oh, I know. Hey. So I was gonna take you to a friend because was streaming the same game, which that friend was gonna be Tori, because I'm like, I just need a safe little space right now. My mental health is not good. It's lacking again. It's slacking. It's fine. I'm fine, but it's slacking. You know, I call my mental health slacking, like catching that like sleep. I'm like, you watch it there, mental health. But my friend is cosplaying Sable, and she's the fucking cutest thing ever. This friend is Tori. It's Tori. Tori's cosplaying Sable from the game. She's so fucking cute. I'm crying. My stream, massive, massive stream. Thank you. I love. Oh, I'm glad you like me yapping. I love yapping to everybody. Suck because there's about 200 episodes on the show. Get an email about all of them. Kill me now. Oh no. Good luck, soldier. Just block that email. Block the email. Why stream? It's been so much fun to yap with you. It's always a pleasure to yap with you. I will say another the beefy man. I don't know what his name is. I forget his name. He works out, but he's playing Resident Evil 2, and I'm very happy because I missed the first time he was playing it. I'm happy I can watch him too, but we're gonna go to Tori. That's who we're gonna go to. Ghostbusters. This is a very bright screen. Holy shit. I love Ghostbusters. Okay. Show. Mansonia? His name is Doc. Self-promotion there, I see, Doc. Self-promotion. Who is it? Denorans? Denorans, yeah. I always struggle with saying people's names, so I get nervous saying it. Oh, his name's Danny. Okay, yeah. Yeah, he's a fitness coach and streamer. He's really funny. I love him. I found him on TikTok originally, and slowly I've been following him everywhere. He's playing Resident Evil 2. I'm like, yeah, my jiggle. Okay. Here's the plan, everybody. Tomorrow? Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's my day off. I go to class and I come home and decompose. Maybe play some games with some people's, but like I decompose. It's decompose day. Friday. Alien isolation time. We're going to try to get through as much as we can. We're dealing with the alien now, so I'm a little stressed. I'm going to be sick again, so we will take our breaks as we play the game, which I'm very grateful for you guys working with me and letting me take my breaks and being a little sicky wicky. I will have everything prepped. Sorry, just read your message, Doc. Love you, sir. I've been awake with bated breath for Friday. So dramatic. Was this one Pokemon streamer I follow? They stream shirtless. He once wore a shirt and everyone freaked out. Oh, I love the song. That's really funny. I really like that Kai. I really love... Who is it? There's a VTuber I watch, and he has everybody like chat in a cage, and it's the same thing of like he put it there as a joke, and then now he can't take it away because somebody asked him. He was like, "Oh no! Anytime I take it away, chat freaks out," and he took it away, and everybody starts screaming. It reminds me of that. Don't be worried about you on Friday. It's okay. I lived through it. Alien really just not built for it, so like it really makes you extra nauseous. But I'm gonna have my saltine crackers, my waters, and everything. I bring my easy to sip from cup. We'll have Rick Screed on. No need start, but it'll be PNG. The VTuber that's a dog. Yeah, him. I love him. He's funny. But yeah, I love that meme. That's what that reminded me of. I love that he's now created monsters. Streamer has to sit in a cage during July for art fight because they go feral. I don't know why, but that reminds me of my friend. So I love that a lot. It is my laundry machine I hear because my door is open. That's it too. Okay. So we're going to Tori. I'm gonna make this message really quick. So slay. It's point then lick. Okay, so this is gonna be the message. Because Tori... oh shit, you're so right. Tori. Oh! Tori. Please, for the love of God, read Doc's message.
Torai.
Thank you. Thank you, chat cat gods. Torai. Don't know why it says like that, and then it capitalized and it's fine. Oh, Hella's in here. But okay. We are gonna play. We're gonna play. We're gonna raid. Chitori. She looks so cute. So we're saying you're so slay. Monster High theme. I fucking love Monster High. I lived for this shit when I was younger. That's it. Monster High. Monster High. Monster High. Let's see. Where am I going? So, Friday. There's somebody playing DBD that is shirtless David cosplay. Oh, Autumn is streaming. What is she playing? Oh, she's playing Nine Souls. Okay. She has a different stream schedule now, so she's like on the same schedule as me, which is very cute because I want to play. I want her to play Outlast. I fucking love this song. Rainbow Dash, first of all. Oh, goodbye, little voices. Yes. Junior, have a good rest of your day. Have a good day at work. I hope everything goes well. Okay. This is goodbye. I'll see you all on Friday. Make sure you vote for the movie if you haven't already. But if not, also, even if you have voted and you thought of a different movie, leave the recommendation in that channel as well. I always take new recommendations because I try to mix it up. Someone cosplay a Rainbow Dash. Oh my god, yeah, at the yeah, I saw that cosplay, Kai. Anyways, let me hit this right. Is that going? It is. Okay. Friday stream, Alien Isolation. Gonna be fun. 10 a.m. Bright and shiny. And then I will make sure to rest up in between stream, and then we can relax and watch a movie. I'll try to be there early, but I'll see how I'll be feeling after the fucking Alien Isolation, you know? Okay, so anyways, from here, I love you all, and I will see you soon. Thank you for working with me and for being like caring and like have gentle gloves of like, okay, Sarah's not okay today. Gentle glove time. We're gonna treat her softly. Thank you all. I love you all, and I hope everybody has a good rest of your day and a good day tomorrow. I'll see you soon. Stay hydrated. Take your vitamins. Okay. I love you. Mwah.